Welcome, everyone. My name is Lily. I'm thrilled to have you join us today for our live stream of our course, Learn Artificial Intelligence Without Coding. We are excited to guide you through the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, popularly referred to as AI. The course is designed for everyone without requiring any programming knowledge. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries, enhancing our daily lives, and creating unprecedented opportunities. Before I get out of the way for the course to start, it is my great pleasure to introduce our instructor for Learn Artificial Intelligence Without Coding. Please join me in welcoming our distinguished instructor who will guide us through this transformative journey into the world of artificial intelligence. Let's embark on this AI journey together and discover how accessible artificial intelligence can truly be.
Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome. I'm thrilled to see you all here today. My name is Jeff, and I'll be your guide on this exciting journey into the world of artificial intelligence. I've been fascinated by how AI is changing our world, and I'm passionate about making this powerful technology accessible to everyone. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Artificial intelligence, isn't that incredibly complex? Don't I need to be a math whiz or a coding genius? That's exactly why this course, Learn Artificial Intelligence Without Coding, exists. My goal here isn't to drown you in complex algorithms or lines of code. Instead, we're going to explore the core concepts, the real-world applications, and the incredible potential of AI in a way that's intuitive, practical, and requires absolutely no prior programming experience. Let's demystify AI together. Shall we begin?
The objective of this course is to provide everyday individuals with a foundational understanding of artificial intelligence, AI, so that they can reap the benefits. By teaching AI to everyday people, We not only equip individuals with the skills to develop and implement these applications, but also foster a generation of innovators who can harness AI for the greater good. AI education is essential for driving progress, enhancing efficiency, and solving some of the world's most pressing challenges. Participants will learn about key AI concepts, tools, and applications in a manner that is accessible and engaging. The course aims to demystify AI and empower learners to utilize AI technologies in their daily lives and professional settings. The objectives and outcomes for this course will ensure that learners leave the course with a comprehensive and practical understanding of AI, ready to embrace and navigate the evolving technological landscape. Learning outcomes. By the end of this course, participants will be able to 1. Understand AI fundamentals. Explain the basic principles and concepts of artificial intelligence, including machine learning, neural networks, and natural language processing. 2. Identify AI applications. Recognize and describe real-world applications of AI in various industries, such as healthcare, finance, and entertainment. 3. Utilize AI tools. Demonstrate the ability to use basic AI tools and platforms to perform simple tasks and analyses. 4. Analyze AI impact. Evaluate the social, ethical, and economic implications of AI technologies in society. 5. Engage in AI discussions. Confidently participate in conversations about AI developments and trends, expressing informed opinions and insights.
We are Tech Hub, the home of technology concepts.
Today, we're diving into a topic that is reshaping the world as we know it, artificial intelligence or AI. But here's the best part. You don't need to be a programmer or tech expert to learn or use AI. You don't even need to write a single line of code. In this video, we'll show you how AI can improve your everyday life and why learning it is a must-have skill in today's world. We will explore easy, beginner-friendly tools designed for people of all skill levels. At the end of this journey, you'll discover how to unlock the power of AI, simplify your tasks, and maybe even spark your creativity in ways you've never imagined. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence is changing almost every aspect of our lives. It's not just about robots or futuristic gadgets. It's about tools and systems that are making our daily tasks more efficient and personalized. Take a moment to think about the services you already use. Netflix recommending your next binge-worthy show. Spotify curating playlists just for you. Or your phone unlocking with facial recognition. These are all powered by AI. Imagine if you could not only use AI, but also create solutions that bring these benefits into your everyday life. Whether you're a student automating study schedules, professional streamlining workflows, or just someone looking to simplify daily chores, AI has something to offer for everyone. Or AI is no longer a tech industry buzzword. It's a skill that empowers individuals in any field to do more faster and smarter. The good news? You don't need to be a coder or tech genius to leverage it. The reason many people stay away from AI is the misconception that it's too technical or challenging to learn. The good news is that today's No-CodeAI tools have shattered this myth. Just like drag-and-drop website builders revolutionized web design, modern AI tools allow you to perform complex tasks with simple clicks and commands. These platforms are designed for beginners. Anyone curious to learn without the steep learning curve of coding. The key is to focus on practical AI applications, how you can use AI in real-life situations instead of getting lost in technical jargon. Tech Hub is here to prove that anyone, regardless of their background, can make AI work for them. Before we dive deeper, let's take a closer look at how AI touches our daily lives. Recommending what you love. AI is behind the apps that suggest shows, songs, or products based on your preferences. It makes entertainment and shopping easier and more enjoyable, boosting productivity. AI-powered tools like smart assistants help you schedule meetings, navigate your day, or even dictate replies to emails. Applying tasks. AI can help with everything from grocery shopping lists to fitness tracking apps, analyzing your workout progress. All these applications are just the tip of the iceberg. Learning how AI works opens up new possibilities for you to harness this technology in unique and creative ways. Technology is advancing fast, and the ability to understand and apply AI is fast becoming a must-have skill. But here's the thing. You don't need to become a full-fledged AI developer to stay relevant. All it takes is learning how to use beginner-friendly tools built specifically for people like you. By learning AI, you gain the power to automate repetitive tasks and free up your time. Make informed decisions based on smart insights AI can offer. Stand out in a world where basic AI knowledge can boost your personal or professional growth. Whether you're pursuing a career, running a business, or simply curious about the world, having basic AI knowledge will help you stay ahead. Tech Hub is here to help you acquire that knowledge without the frustration of technical barriers. Now let's get practical. Enter the world of No-CodeAI tools designed for people who want results, not stress. These platforms allow you to complete complex AI-driven tasks like image editing, automating workflows, or extracting insights from data with just a few clicks. For instance, image processing tools use AI software to enhance pictures, remove backgrounds, or even generate new designs. Virtual assistants set up smart assistants to manage routines like creating shopping lists or scheduling meetings. AI for content creation. Explore tools for writing blog posts, creating graphics, or generating video ideas, all powered by simple AI platforms. No-code AI tools are intuitive, affordable, and accessible. And the best part? Learning them takes minutes, not months. Isn't just for work or tech enthusiasts. It has practical benefits for everyone. Let's explore how you can use AI in different areas of life. At home, automate reminders for bill payments or grocery shopping. Use voice assistants like Alexa to control smart lights and appliances. Organize your family's calendar effortlessly using AI tools. At work, streamline document management by letting AI summarize lengthy reports. Manage emails with AI tools that prioritize important messages. Automate repetitive tasks like scheduling meetings or analyzing data trends. For creativity, edit high-quality photos and videos like a pro using intuitive AI platforms. Use AI art generation tools to create unique personalized designs effortlessly. Write faster with AI text generation tools that suggest improvements or new content. All of this is within your reach. And Tech Hub is here to show you how. Let's be honest, new technology can sometimes feel intimidating. You might be thinking, can I really do this? The answer is yes. The key is to start small. You don't need to build complicated AI algorithms or understand machine learning formulas to benefit from this technology. Instead, focus on no-code tools that let you use AI effectively. The answer is yes. The key is to start small. You don't need to build complicated AI algorithms or understand machine learning formulas to benefit from this technology. Instead, focus on no-code tools that let you use AI effectively. Once you try them and see how simple they are, that initial fear will disappear and you'll feel confident, empowered, and inspired to do more. At Tech Hub, our goal is to make AI approachable and fun. We break down complex topics into relatable examples and provide step-by-step guidance tailored for beginners. Our videos are designed to build your confidence, spark your imagination, and help you succeed in a tech-driven world. With us, you'll never feel overwhelmed. We bring practical, everyday use cases of AI to life, showing you how to get instant results and real benefits. From automating boring tasks to exploring creative projects, we're here to turn your curiosity into capability. AI is not a passing trend. It's the future. Learning the basics of AI today opens up endless opportunities tomorrow. Imagine being ahead of your peers and using technologies that shape industries, lifestyles, and even our collective creativity. By embracing AI, you're not just keeping up with the future, you're helping to create it. Whether professional growth, personal productivity, or simply making life more fun, AI is your partner in progress, stopping you. AI has never been easier to learn, thanks to platforms and tools designed with beginners in mind. With no coding required and no prior experience necessary, you can start unlocking AI's potential today. With Tech Hub as your guide, where we make this learning journey more accessible, exciting, and empowering. Our step-by-step tutorials and relatable examples will show you how to turn this powerful technology into a practical, everyday tool for success and satisfaction. Subscribe to Tech Hub today and ignite your passion for technology. Together, we'll explore the endless opportunities AI provides one simple, practical step at a time. You don't need to be a coder to unlock a world of possibilities. You just need the curiosity to start. Let's break down barriers and embrace the future. Click that subscribe button, and let's begin your journey into the world of artificial intelligence. Your future is made smarter, simpler, and brighter with AI, and Tech Hub is here to make it happen. The next step, it's entirely up to you. Welcome to the AI revolution. What is artificial intelligence? A simple guide for everyday folks. Imagine if your phone, TV, or even that stubborn vacuum cleaner suddenly got super smart and helpful. That's artificial intelligence, or AI for short, helping you out. Don't worry. We're not talking about robots taking over. Just clever tools making your life easier without asking for a paycheck. AI isn't rocket science. Well, maybe for scientists. But for us regular folks, it's simply machines learning to do tasks like humans. From helping you find where you park your car, to picking the next binge-worthy show. It's already everywhere, and you didn't even notice. Let's take a quick tour through your typical day. Woke up to a weather app that dressed you smarter than you could? AI. Asked Alexa for the day's news while grabbing coffee? AI again. Even your car's GPS telling you the fastest route? Yep, AI is your co-pilot too. Have you ever noticed how Netflix just knew you'd love that new rom-com? Or how Google's autocomplete practically finishes your sentences? That's AI quietly working behind the scenes, predicting your needs like the best personal assistant you never hired. Learns by spotting patterns in data, a fancy way of saying it's great at guessing based on past examples. For instance, if you keep ordering tacos every Tuesday, it might suggest a salsa recipe next time. AI learns what you like and gets better the more you use it. But here's the kicker. AI isn't thinking for itself. It's following rules, like teaching a kid, one who listens a little better. We train AI to recognize images, understand language, or even talk back, all based on the information we've given it. Relax, this isn't a sci-fi flick. AI isn't plotting to replace humans. It's more about teamwork. Your gadgets need you to guide them. Think of AI like a super smart sidekick, not the main character. It helps with the tools. But humans are still the boss of the big picture. Sure, there are debates. How should AI handle certain decisions or data? But those are questions we get to decide, making sure AI is built and used responsibly. No Terminator scenarios here. Promise. Picture this. Working smarter, not harder. AI can help you plan meals, suggest gifts, organize your photos, or even translate languages on the fly while traveling. It's like having a tech-savvy buddy who's always available and never complains. News. It's also breaking boundaries in areas like healthcare, education, and sustainability, from detecting diseases early to teaching kids in remote areas. AI is creating solutions where humans need a little extra help. Cool, huh? Now that AI doesn't feel like a mystery. Why not explore it further? Start small. Try asking your voice assistant something new, or play around with photo editing app to see AI in action. Who knows, you might find a new favorite tool. Knowledge is power, so don't stop here. Share this video with friends. Explore other cool tools AI offers and keep learning. Remember, AI is here to support you and make life a little more fun. Ready to try? Let's see what AI can do for you. Share this video with friends. Explore other cool tools AI offers and keep learning. Remember, AI is here to support you and make life a little more fun. Ready to try? Let's see what AI can do for you.
Hey everyone, we appreciate you for being here. Welcome to our live stream session. If you're just joining us, you're right on time. We're diving into the world of artificial intelligence without coding. Now, whether you're looking to start a new career, level up your skills, or just want to know how to protect your personal data, we've got something for you. Our expert-led courses cover everything from the basics of digital forensics and ethical hacking to advanced network security, threat intelligence, and incident response. No fluff, just real, hands-on skills that employers are looking for. Look around you. Artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's here. It's transforming how we work, how we live, how we connect. From the news you read, to the products you buy, to the entertainment you enjoy, AI is quietly, powerfully reshaping our world. And let's be honest, it can feel a little daunting. You hear artificial intelligence, and maybe you picture complex algorithms, lines and lines of code, something reserved for tech geniuses. You might think, that's not for me. You might worry about being left behind. The AI wave is here. You can either watch it pass you by, or you can learn to ride it. And you don't need to be a surfer or a coder to get on board. Don't let the fear of complexity hold you back. Don't let AI pass you by. Click the course link in the description. Visit our website. Your journey into the fascinating world of AI, simplified and accessible, starts now. No coding required. Just your curiosity and the desire to learn. Enroll in Learn Artificial Intelligence without coding today. Gain the knowledge, the confidence, and the understanding to navigate and thrive in an AI-powered future.
We are Educator, the home of technology contents.
In today's rapidly evolving world, artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming industries, and healthcare is no exception. The power of AI in revolutionizing diagnosis is nothing short of groundbreaking, opening new possibilities for faster, more accurate, and more personalized medical care. For AI enthusiasts, tech professionals, and healthcare experts alike, this transformation represents the intersection of cutting-edge technology and life-saving care, where innovation meets human health. Imagine a future where medical diagnoses are swift, precise, and deeply personalized. Thanks to advancements in AI, this future is not only possible, but already within reach. AI algorithms, powered by vast datasets and sophisticated machine learning models, are capable of analyzing medical images, lab results, and patient histories with unprecedented accuracy. These systems can detect patterns invisible to the human eye, flagging potential issues before they manifest into serious health conditions. This means earlier detection of diseases like cancer, diabetes, and cardiovascular conditions, giving healthcare professionals the ability to act sooner and improve patient outcomes. But the real power of AI in diagnosis extends beyond just accuracy. It's about accessibility. AI-driven diagnostic tools are increasingly becoming available even in remote and underserved areas, bridging the gap in healthcare access across the globe. With AI-enabled mobile applications, patients can now conduct initial assessments from their homes, reducing the burden on hospitals and clinics, while empowering individuals to take control of their health. This democratization of healthcare ensures that expert-level diagnosis is no longer a privilege, but a right for all, for tech professionals and AI enthusiasts. The ongoing revolution in healthcare represents a fertile ground for innovation. The application of AI in diagnostics is a powerful reminder that technology is not just about solving abstract problems. It's about solving human ones. From natural language processing that interprets complex medical data to deep learning models that continuously improve, AI is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And the impact is tangible. Reduced diagnostic errors, streamlined workflows, and ultimately, lives saved. Case study: Google's AI-powered tool, DeepMind Streams, is helping doctors detect sepsis in patients, a life-threatening condition that requires prompt treatment. This tool analyzes patient data and predicts sepsis risk hours before a doctor might notice, potentially saving thousands of lives. Real-world application: imagine a world where AI analyzes retinal scans to detect early signs of diabetic retinopathy, preventing vision loss in millions of people. This is already being done by companies like IDEXX, whose AI-powered system has received FDA approval for detecting diabetic retinopathy in patients with diabetes. Transition to next section. While AI is revolutionizing how diseases are identified, its impact extends far beyond diagnosis. Let's dive into the exciting world of AI-powered treatment, but with a critical eye towards potential biases. In practice, AI is also becoming an indispensable partner to healthcare professionals. Rather than replacing doctors, AI augments their capabilities. By providing fast, reliable insights, AI allows healthcare workers to spend more time on what matters most: caring for patients. Clinicians can make informed decisions quickly, focus on more complex cases, and reduce the administrative burden that often slows down patient care. It's a win-win situation where human expertise and AI-powered tools combine to create a more efficient, compassionate healthcare system. The revolution is here. For those who are passionate about AI, tech innovation, and healthcare, The fusion of these fields presents an exciting opportunity to be part of something bigger than technology alone. By harnessing the power of AI, we are not just reshaping healthcare. We are saving lives, improving the quality of care, and building a healthier world for everyone. Now is the time to embrace this transformation. Together, we can unlock the full potential of AI and revolutionize the future of diagnosis, one innovation at a time. The power of artificial intelligence, AI, has already revolutionized diagnosis, but its impact goes far beyond just identifying illnesses. We are now entering an exciting era where AI is transforming the way treatments are developed, delivered, and personalized, reshaping healthcare from the ground up. For AI enthusiasts, tech professionals, and healthcare practitioners, this is a moment of immense potential. It's not just about diagnosing disease. It's about revolutionizing care and enhancing the way treatments are provided to millions of people around the world. Imagine a healthcare system where treatments are custom tailored to each individual's unique biology, lifestyle, and preferences. AI is making this vision a reality by analyzing vast amounts of medical data, genetic information, and patient histories to recommend the most effective treatments. From personalized medication regimens to cutting-edge therapies, AI is giving healthcare professionals the insights they need to craft treatments that work best for each patient. This means fewer side effects, faster recoveries, and improved patient outcomes. A future where medicine is as unique as an individual. AI is also accelerating the development of new treatments at an unprecedented pace. Traditionally, drug discovery and clinical trials can take years or even decades. But with AI, researchers are able to identify promising compounds, predict how they'll interact with the human body, and simulate their effects, drastically reducing the time and cost of bringing new treatments to market. Machine learning models can analyze millions of data points to pinpoint patterns that lead to breakthrough therapies, from new cancer treatments to more effective vaccines. This speed is transforming healthcare, allowing us to respond faster to emerging health crises and bring life-saving innovations to patients sooner. The integration of AI into treatment plans extends beyond medication. AI-powered robotics are assisting in surgeries, enhancing precision, and reducing recovery times. Intelligent systems are optimizing treatment protocols, continuously monitoring patient vitals, and adjusting care in real time to improve outcomes. With AI, healthcare professionals can ensure that every decision is informed by the most up-to-date, evidence-based information available, creating a future where treatments are not only reactive but proactive. For healthcare professionals, AI acts as a powerful tool, enabling them to offer care that is more informed, efficient, and personalized. With AI-driven analytics and predictive tools, doctors can identify which patients are most at risk of complications and tailor treatment plans accordingly. This not only improves the quality of care, but also reduces the overall cost of treatment by preventing avoidable hospitalizations and optimizing resource use. It's a smarter, more efficient system where every patient benefits. For tech professionals and AI enthusiasts, the transformation of treatment through AI is an invitation to solve complex, real-world problems. From developing algorithms that can predict the success of treatments to designing AI-powered tools that assist doctors, the possibilities are endless. The healthcare sector is ripe for disruption, and AI is leading the charge in creating a more connected, data-driven system that improves lives. But the true power of AI lies in its ability to make healthcare more equitable. As AI continues to evolve, it's ensuring that advanced treatments are accessible to everyone, regardless of where they live or their financial situation. Telemedicine platforms, powered by AI, are enabling remote diagnosis and treatment, breaking down geographical barriers, and providing quality care to underserved communities. AI's ability to analyze global data sets also ensures that treatments are informed by diverse patient populations, making healthcare more inclusive and responsive to individual needs. Case study: AI is transforming the way cancer is treated. AI-powered systems like IBM Watson are being used to analyze patient data and recommend personalized treatment plans, leading to better outcomes and increased survival rates. Real-world application: ChatGPT, a large language model, is being used in the healthcare field to analyze patient data and generate personalized treatment plans. It can assist doctors in creating more effective treatment strategies, improving patient outcomes, Transition to next section. While AI offers incredible opportunities, it's crucial to address the ethical challenges that come with it, particularly in relation to fairness and equity in healthcare. The revolution in treatment is here, and it's just the beginning. AI is not just transforming the way we diagnose illnesses, but revolutionizing how we treat them, making healthcare more personalized, precise, and accessible. For those passionate about AI, technology, and healthcare, this is an opportunity to be part of a transformative journey. The future of treatment is brighter, more innovative, and more inclusive than ever before, and AI is the key to unlocking it. Now is the time to be part of this change. Let's harness the power of AI to transform treatment, improve outcomes, and shape a healthier future for all. Together, we can go beyond diagnosis and revolutionize the way the world heals. In the world of artificial intelligence, AI, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of cutting-edge technologies and futuristic possibilities. But at the heart of every AI breakthrough lies a profound truth. The most powerful innovations come when AI enhances, rather than replaces, human capabilities. In healthcare, AI is not a substitute for the human touch. It's a partner, working alongside healthcare professionals to create a more compassionate, efficient, and personalized system of care. For AI enthusiasts, tech professionals, and healthcare experts, this collaboration between humans and AI is where the real magic happens. The idea of AI as a partner is reshaping how we think about healthcare, rather than fearing that AI will take over jobs or remove the personal aspect of care. Professionals are increasingly recognizing the role of AI in augmenting their abilities. AI doesn't have the empathy, intuition, or bedside manner of a human clinician, but what it does offer is unparalleled data analysis, pattern recognition, and the ability to process vast amounts of information in seconds. Together, AI and humans form a powerful team that can deliver more informed, efficient, and patient-centered care. For healthcare professionals, AI is becoming an indispensable ally. By automating routine tasks like data entry, diagnostic scans, and patient record analysis, AI frees up time for doctors, nurses, and clinicians to focus on what truly matters, connecting with patients. It allows healthcare workers to spend more time listening to their patients, understand their concerns, and providing holistic care. AI-powered systems streamline workflows, reduce administrative burdens, and ensure that medical staff can devote their energy to building trust and rapport with patients. In this way, AI enhances a human touch, not diminishes it. AI's role as a partner also extends to providing decision support. No matter how experienced a doctor is, they are still limited by the amount of information they can analyze and process at any given time. AI steps in as a powerful assistant, capable of reviewing millions of medical records, lab results, and clinical studies in seconds to provide evidence-based recommendations. Whether it's suggesting a treatment plan or identifying patterns in patient data that may otherwise be overlooked, AI serves as a second set of eyes, ensuring that no detail goes unnoticed and improving diagnostic accuracy. For tech professionals and AI enthusiasts, this is an exciting space to explore. The development of AI tools that integrate seamlessly into healthcare workflows, empowering clinicians without overwhelming them, is a critical challenge, and one that holds incredible potential for innovation. Building AI systems that can interpret data, learn from human feedback, and provide actionable insights is more than just a technical achievement. It's a way to bring human and machine collaboration to the forefront of healthcare. And this collaboration is what will drive the next wave of innovation. But the true beauty of AI as a partner lies in its ability to personalize care. Every patient is different, and AI helps healthcare professionals tailor treatments to the individual needs of each person. By analyzing a patient's genetic makeup, medical history, lifestyle, and even social factors, AI can assist doctors in creating highly personalized care plans. This ensures that patients receive treatments that are specifically designed for them, improving outcomes and reducing the risk of complications. In short, AI helps healthcare become more human by recognizing and responding to uniqueness of each patient. Moreover, AI is playing a critical role in expanding access to care. In underserved areas where there is a shortage of healthcare professionals, AI-powered tools like telemedicine platforms and diagnostic apps are bridging the gap. These systems enable patients to access medical expertise remotely, ensuring that everyone, regardless of location, receives high-quality care. AI's ability to analyze and interpret data in real time also ensures that patients in rural or resource-limited areas can receive accurate diagnoses and treatment plans without the need for in-person consultations. This is the power of AI as a partner. It makes healthcare more accessible, equitable, and inclusive as we move forward. It's clear that AI's role in healthcare is not to replace the human element, but to enhance it. For AI enthusiasts, tech innovators, and healthcare professionals, the future lies in collaboration. The integration of AI into healthcare is a powerful reminder that technology can be a force for good when used thoughtfully and compassionately. It's about building systems that work with healthcare professionals, empowering them to deliver care that is smarter, faster, and more personalized. Case study: AI-powered chatbots are being used in hospitals to provide 24/7 support to patients, answering their questions and providing reassurance. This frees up nurses and doctors to focus on more complex tasks. Real-world application: AI tools are helping doctors make quicker and more accurate decisions. AI-powered clinical decision support systems can analyze a patient's medical history, symptoms, and lab results to suggest the best course of treatment. Transition to the next section. The promise of AI in healthcare is undeniable, but it's critical to ensure that its implementation is ethical, equitable, and accountable. The human touch will always be at the center of healthcare. With AI as a trusted partner, we are enhancing that touch, creating a future where technology and compassion work hand in hand to provide the best possible care for all. Now is the time to embrace this partnership. Together, AI and humans can transform healthcare, making it more efficient, more personalized, and more humane than ever before. Let's unlock the potential of AI as a partner and build a healthier future for all. As artificial intelligence, AI, continues to revolutionize healthcare, its transformative potential is undeniable. From enhancing diagnosis to personalizing treatments, AI has opened doors to more precise, efficient, and accessible care. But with great power comes great responsibility. And as we navigate this new frontier, the ethical considerations of AI in healthcare must take center stage. For AI enthusiasts, tech professionals, and healthcare experts, understanding and addressing these ethical concerns is not just a technical challenge, it's a moral imperative. The future of healthcare is being shaped by AI, and with that comes a need to ensure that it serves humanity in the best possible way. Central to this effort is the need for transparency and fairness in AI systems. Machine learning algorithms, while powerful, are only as good as the data they are trained on. If the data is biased, whether due to socioeconomic factors, racial disparities, or historical inequities, the AI will perpetuate those biases in its decision-making. This can lead to unequal treatment and worse outcomes for certain populations. As we move forward, it's essential that we prioritize fairness in AI development, ensuring that the data used is representative, diverse, and free from biases that could harm patients. Equally important is the need for explainability in AI-driven healthcare decisions. When an AI system suggests a diagnosis or treatment plan, healthcare professionals and patients alike must understand how that decision was reached. A black box AI, where the decision-making process is opaque, can lead to mistrust and hesitation. Even if the AI is accurate, clinicians need to feel confident in the tools they use. And patients deserve to know why certain decisions are made about their health. Explainable AI ensures that healthcare professionals can provide informed, transparent care, while also allowing patients to make empowered decisions about their own treatment. Another critical ethical concern is patient privacy and data security. AI systems rely on vast amounts of personal health data to function effectively, from medical records to genetic information. Protecting this data is paramount. Healthcare organizations must ensure that AI systems comply with privacy regulations, such as HIPAA in the United States or GDPR in Europe, to safeguard patient information. But beyond regulatory compliance, there is a deeper ethical obligation to ensure that patient data is used responsibly and with consent. Patients must trust that their data will be used only to improve their care, not for commercial exploitation or unauthorized purposes. For tech professionals and AI enthusiasts, the challenge of designing systems that respect patient privacy while still delivering powerful insights is both complex and exciting. Balancing innovation with ethical responsibility is the key to building AI systems that are trusted and widely adopted. This is where cutting-edge encryption, secure data sharing protocols, and consent-driven AI development come into play. It's about creating technology that protects patients while pushing the boundaries of what's possible in healthcare. The role of AI in healthcare also raises questions about the human element in care. As AI systems become more advanced, there's a risk that the personal, empathetic connection between healthcare providers and patients could diminish. However, AI should not replace human interaction. It should enhance it. By automating routine tasks, AI allows healthcare professionals to spend more time with patients, building trust and providing compassionate care. Ethical AI development must ensure that technology never replaces a human touch, but instead supports healthcare professionals in their mission to provide patient-centered care. The ethical considerations of AI in healthcare are not just about solving technical problems. They are about shaping the future of healthcare in a way that is just equitable and compassionate. For healthcare professionals, AI offers new tools to enhance care, but also demands a new approach to patient advocacy, ensuring that technology works in the best interest of all patients. For AI developers and tech professionals, the opportunity lies in creating systems that are not only innovative, but also align with the core ethical principles of fairness, transparency, and privacy. Moreover, as AI becomes more integrated into healthcare systems, there will be ethical questions around accountability. When an AI system makes a mistake, whether in diagnosis, treatment, or patient monitoring, who is responsible? Is it the developer, the healthcare institution, or the clinician using the tools? Clear guidelines and regulations must be established to ensure that AI is used safely and that accountability is shared appropriately across the ecosystem. Building AI systems that include safeguards, fail-safes, and human oversight is crucial to maintaining patient safety and trust. For AI enthusiasts and tech professionals, this is an opportunity to build solutions that address these ethical challenges head-on. By collaborating with healthcare professionals, ethicists, and policymakers, we can create AI systems that are not only technologically advanced, but also morally sound. The future of healthcare depends on responsible AI development, where innovation is guided by ethics and where technology is used to promote justice, equity, and patient well-being. Case study: data privacy and security are paramount in healthcare. AI systems must be developed and deployed in a way that ensures patient information is protected. The HIPAA, Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, law governs the use and disclosure of protected health information in the U.S., and it's important that AI systems comply with these regulations. Real-world application. AI can also raise questions about bias. It's crucial to ensure that AI algorithms are not perpetuating existing biases in healthcare. For example, algorithms used to predict patient risk might need to be carefully monitored to ensure they don't discriminate against certain demographics, such as race, ethnicity, or socioeconomic status. Transition to next section. To navigate the complex landscape of AI in healthcare, it's essential to involve diverse stakeholders in the development and implementation of AI solutions, including patients, healthcare professionals, and researchers. The future of AI in healthcare is bright, but it must be navigated thoughtfully. By addressing the ethical considerations now, we can ensure that AI becomes a trusted partner in healthcare, one that enhances the human experience rather than detracting from it. The ethical path forward is clear. We must build AI systems that are fair, transparent, secure, and accountable, because the future of healthcare is not just about what we can do with AI, but how we choose to use it. Now is the time to lead this ethical revolution in AI. Together, we can navigate the future of AI in healthcare, ensuring that it serves everyone, protects the vulnerable, and enhances the quality of care for all. Let's create a future where AI and ethics go hand in hand, transforming healthcare for the better. The future of healthcare has arrived, and artificial intelligence, AI, is at the forefront of this transformation. From diagnostics to treatment and beyond, AI is revolutionizing every aspect of the healthcare industry. But the true potential of AI lies not in isolated innovations. It thrives in collaboration. To fully harness the power of AI, healthcare professionals, AI developers, tech enthusiasts, and researchers must come together. Working hand in hand, create a smarter, more efficient, and more compassionate healthcare system. The future of AI in healthcare isn't distant. It's happening right now. and we all have a role to play in shaping it. AI is already making a profound impact across healthcare by streamlining operations, enhancing patient outcomes, and empowering clinicians. From AI-driven diagnostic tools that detect diseases earlier and more accurately than ever before to AI-powered platforms that personalize treatment plans based on a patient's genetic makeup, the possibilities are endless. But none of these advancements exist in a vacuum. They are the result of interdisciplinary collaboration, where data scientists, healthcare professionals, engineers, and AI experts come together to solve complex medical challenges. For AI enthusiasts and tech professionals, this collaborative approach presents an exciting opportunity to impact real-world healthcare challenges. AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of medical data, identify patterns, and provide actionable insights has created a new era of data-driven healthcare. But this transformation can only reach its full potential when technologists work closely with healthcare practitioners to ensure that AI systems are designed to meet the unique needs of clinicians and patients alike. Whether it's creating user-friendly interfaces for doctors, integrating AI into existing hospital systems, or ensuring that AI tools are clinically validated, collaboration is key. For healthcare professionals, AI offers tools that enhance, not replace, human expertise. AI doesn't eliminate the need for doctors, nurses, or specialists. Instead, it empowers them to deliver better care with greater efficiency. Imagine having an AI assistant that helps analyze complex medical cases, suggests potential diagnoses, or even predicts which patients are at risk of complications before symptoms appear. AI can serve as a second set of eyes, reducing diagnostic errors, and allowing doctors to focus on patient care. It's this symbiosis between human intuition and AI-driven data insights that will define the future of healthcare. The collaborative approach also extends to improving patient care and accessibility. AI is helping bridge gaps in underserved communities, providing remote diagnostic services, and offering telemedicine solutions to people who otherwise wouldn't have access to specialized care. This global reach of AI allows for more equitable healthcare solutions, ensuring that advanced medical care is available to everyone, regardless of location. But creating these systems requires collaboration between healthcare providers, AI developers, and governments to ensure that the technology is accessible, affordable, and inclusive. Another crucial aspect of this collaborative future is in medical research and drug development. AI is accelerating the process of drug discovery by analyzing chemical compounds, predicting potential side effects, and modeling biological processes at speed and scale that was previously unimaginable. This acceleration is driving forward treatments for diseases such as cancer, Alzheimer's, and rare genetic disorders. By working together, researchers, pharmaceutical companies, and AI experts are shortening the time it takes to bring life-saving drugs to market, giving patients faster access to cutting-edge treatments. For tech enthusiasts and professionals, healthcare is a field rich with opportunity to make a difference. AI in healthcare is more than just a technical challenge. It's an opportunity to solve some of the world's most pressing health problems. From optimizing hospital workflows to creating AI systems that can assist in surgeries, the possibilities are as vast as they are impactful. The future of AI in healthcare isn't something to wait for. It's a call to action for those passionate about technology to step in and make a real, measurable difference. But with all this opportunity comes responsibility. The future of AI in healthcare depends on ethical considerations, ensuring that AI systems are transparent, fair, and respectful of patient privacy. Collaboration also means that AI developers must work closely with ethicists, policymakers, and healthcare professionals to create AI tools that not only improve outcomes, but do so in a way that is inclusive, equitable, and respects patient autonomy. Together, we can build AI systems that are trusted by clinicians and patients alike, grounded in the ethical foundations of healthcare. The future of AI in healthcare is not just about technology. It's about people. It's about creating a system where healthcare professionals are empowered to provide the best possible care, where patients have access to personalized, cutting-edge treatments, and where AI helps solve the most complex challenges in medicine. For those passionate about AI, healthcare, and technology, this is a unique opportunity to be part of something transformative.
Thanks for hanging out with us. We're moving to the next session. Drop a comment in the chat if you're enjoying the stream. So far, we love seeing your reactions. Shout out to everyone watching from around the world. Tell us where you're tuning in from. We see you. If you're just joining us, welcome. Stay tuned. The best is yet to come. This is a perfect moment to hit that like button, follow the stream, and share it with a friend.
We are Tech Hub, the home of technology content.
The legal industry is on the brink of a transformation powered by the cutting-edge capabilities of artificial intelligence, AI. As the demands of modern business grow, so does the complexity of legal work. AI-powered legal tech is changing the game, streamlining processes, reducing costs, and increasing access to justice. For legal professionals, corporate legal teams, law firms, educators, and businesses alike, this revolution presents an unparalleled opportunity to rethink how legal services are delivered, making them faster, smarter, and more efficient. AI-powered legal technology is more than just a tool. It's a partner that enhances the capabilities of lawyers and legal teams. Through the automation of routine tasks, such as document review, contract analysis, and legal research, AI frees up time for legal professionals to focus on what they do best: strategic thinking, negotiation, and client relationships. No longer bogged down by hours of manual, repetitive work, lawyers can dedicate their expertise to solving complex legal problems and providing personalized counsel. This is the future of legal practice, and it's happening right now. For corporate legal teams and law firms, AI-powered legal tech offers a competitive edge. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, natural language processing, NLP, and predictive analytics, AI can quickly sift through vast volumes of legal documents, identifying relevant clauses, flagging risks, and ensuring compliance, all in a fraction of the time it would take a human to do the same. This efficiency translates into significant cost savings, quicker turnaround times, and reduced risk, helping firms and in-house teams deliver higher quality legal services at scale. Imagine the power of AI in contract management. AI-driven platforms can automatically generate, review, and even negotiate contracts, flagging inconsistencies and potential risks while ensuring that terms align with business goals. With these AI tools, contract workflows are streamlined, allowing legal teams to manage a higher volume of agreements with greater accuracy. This level of automation doesn't just speed up the process. It mitigates human error, ensures compliance, and creates a more transparent, data-driven approach to contract lifecycle management. Legal research is another area ripe for AI-powered innovation. Traditional legal research can be time-consuming and labor-intensive, requiring professionals to sift through countless case laws, statutes, and legal precedents. AI-powered research tools, however, use NLP and machine learning to quickly identify relevant case law, statutes, and regulations, presenting the most pertinent information in seconds. These tools are designed to understand the nuances of legal language, providing lawyers with highly accurate insights that they can use to build stronger, more informed cases. For legal educators and students, AI-powered legal tech opens the door to new learning opportunities and prepares the next generation of lawyers for the future. Law schools are integrating AI tools into their curricula, giving students hands-on experience with the technologies that will shape the industry. Understanding how to leverage AI in legal practice will be a crucial skill for the lawyers of tomorrow, and educational institutions are at the forefront of this shift, teaching students not just the law, but how to apply it in a tech-enabled world. Tech-savvy entrepreneurs, too, are embracing AI-powered legal tech to build innovative legal solutions that democratize access to justice. Startups are leveraging AI to create platforms that offer affordable legal advice, automate dispute resolution, and provide guidance for small businesses navigating regulatory challenges. By lowering the barriers to legal services, these entrepreneurs are making the law more accessible to individuals and businesses that might not otherwise be able to afford traditional legal counsel. For government bodies and regulatory agencies, AI-powered legal tech offers the potential to improve transparency, streamline regulatory processes, and ensure compliance. AI can assist with monitoring regulatory changes, analyzing compliance risks, and even predicting how new regulations will impact industries. This allows regulatory bodies to respond more quickly to evolving legal landscapes, ensuring that laws are enforced more efficiently and fairly. Perhaps most importantly, AI-powered legal tech is advancing access to justice. Nonprofits and access to justice organizations are leveraging AI to provide legal assistance to underserved communities, offering tools that automate the creation of legal documents, guide users through legal processes, and provide legal advice in real time. By breaking down the traditional barriers to legal services, AI is helping to close the justice gap, ensuring that more people can exercise their rights and navigate the legal system with confidence. AI-powered legal tech is not about replacing lawyers. It's about enhancing their abilities and enabling them to focus on high-value work. By automating time-consuming tasks and offering data-driven insights, AI empowers legal professionals to deliver more accurate, efficient, and client-focused services. It's about creating a legal industry that is more agile, responsive, and innovative than ever before. For clients and businesses, this shift toward AI-powered legal solutions means better service, lower costs, and faster results. AI provides law firms and corporate legal teams with the tools they need to operate more effectively, whether it's managing compliance in a heavily regulated industry, responding to a legal dispute, or navigating complex contractual negotiations. Clients can trust that they are receiving legal counsel informed by both human expertise and the most advanced technological insights available. The future of AI in the legal industry is bright, and it's happening right now. By embracing AI-powered legal tech, legal professionals, firms, and businesses can work smarter, deliver better results, and stay ahead of the competition. This is the next frontier of legal practice, a future where technology and human expertise come together to create a more just, efficient, and accessible legal system. Now is the time to embrace AI-powered legal tech. Whether you're a legal professional, a corporate leader, a tech entrepreneur, or a law student, the opportunity to shape the future of the legal industry is in your hands. Let's work together to create a smarter, more connected legal system that serves everyone. The future of legal tech is here. Are you ready to be part of it? The legal profession stands at the threshold of its most significant transformation in centuries. Artificial intelligence isn't just knocking at the door of law firms. It has already entered the building, reshaping everything from document review to judicial decision-making. This revolutionary technology offers unprecedented opportunities to enhance legal services, expand access to justice, and reimagine what it means to practice law in the digital age. A new dawn for legal practice. Imagine a world where routine legal tasks that once consumed countless billable hours now take mere minutes, where insights hidden within millions of case documents surface at the touch of a button, where legal expertise becomes accessible to those who could never afford it before. This isn't some distant future. It's happening now. The integration of AI into legal work isn't merely an evolution. It's a renaissance that promises to liberate legal professionals from mundane tasks while amplifying their uniquely human capabilities: judgment, creativity, empathy, and ethical reasoning. Transformative applications reshaping legal work. AI's impact on legal practice spans the entire spectrum of legal services: document analysis and due diligence. AI systems now review thousands of contracts in hours, identifying risks, inconsistencies, and opportunities that might take human teams weeks to discover. Corporate legal teams using these tools report 60 to 90% reductions in review time while uncovering issues human reviewers might miss. Legal research and analysis. Modern AI can digest millions of cases, statutes, and regulations, extracting relevant precedents and presenting them alongside probability analyses of case outcomes. This helps attorneys construct more compelling arguments based on comprehensive data rather than limited samples. Contract generation and management. From automated contract drafting to ongoing monitoring of contractual obligations, AI tools are streamlining the entire contract lifecycle. Some platforms now enable non-lawyers to generate legally sound agreements through intuitive interfaces, democratizing basic legal services. Litigation strategy and prediction. Sophisticated prediction engines analyze case characteristics, judicial histories, and precedent patterns to forecast litigation outcomes with increasingly impressive accuracy, helping attorneys make data-driven decisions about settlement versus trial. Compliance monitoring. AI systems vigilantly scan regulatory changes across jurisdictions, flagging relevant updates and suggesting policy adjustments to maintain compliance. A game changer for multinational corporations navigating complex regulatory environments. The human-AI partnership. The most successful legal professionals aren't fighting against this technological wave. They're learning to surf it. The future belongs to lawyers who embrace AI as a powerful collaborator, augmenting their expertise rather than replacing it. This partnership creates space for attorneys to focus on the aspect of legal practice that remain quintessentially human, building client relationships, exercising judgment in complex ethical situations, crafting novel legal theories, and advocating persuasively, expanding access to justice. Perhaps AI's most profound impact on the legal landscape is its democratizing effect. Through AI-powered tools, millions who previously couldn't access legal assistance can now receive instant answers to basic legal questions, generate simple legal documents without attorney fees, understand their rights and options in accessible language, navigate complex legal processes with digital guidance. For nonprofits and legal aid organizations, AI multiplies their impact, allowing limited resources to serve exponentially more people in need, embracing the future. The legal profession has always adapted to societal changes, from the printing press to the digital revolution. Those who embrace AI's potential while maintaining core legal values will thrive in this new era. The most successful firms, legal departments, and organizations will be those that invest in AI literacy and training, reimagine service delivery and fee structures, develop ethical frameworks for AI use, leverage technology to enhance client experience, focus human expertise where it adds the most value. The future of law isn't about choosing between human expertise and artificial intelligence. It's about creating powerful synergies between them. Together, they promise a legal landscape that is more efficient, accessible, and just. The question isn't whether AI will transform legal practice. It already is. The question is, how will you participate in shaping this transformation? In today's rapidly evolving legal landscape, artificial intelligence has emerged as a powerful ally for law firms seeking to enhance their practice, deliver superior client outcomes, and maintain a competitive edge. Far from replacing attorneys, AI is amplifying their capabilities, creating unprecedented opportunities for innovation and growth. Enhanced efficiency and productivity. Document review and analysis AI-powered solutions can review thousands of documents in hours rather than the weeks it might take a team of associates. These systems identify key clauses, flag potential issues, and extract relevant information with remarkable accuracy. One AmLaw 100 firm reported a 70% reduction in document review time after implementing AI, allowing their attorneys to focus on higher value analysis. Legal research acceleration, what once required days of painstaking research, can now be accomplished in minutes. Advanced AI research tools can analyze millions of cases, statutes, and regulations to identify relevant precedents and legal frameworks. These systems not only find pertinent cases, but can assess their relevance and application to current matters with nuanced understanding. Contract management and creation, from automated contract generation to ongoing compliance monitoring. AI streamlines the entire contract lifecycle. Smart templates adapt to specific client needs while maintaining legal precision, reducing drafting time by up to 80% for routine agreements while minimizing human error. Predictive analytics and strategic insight. Case outcome prediction by analyzing thousands of previous cases. AI can now forecast litigation outcomes with increasingly impressive accuracy. These predictive models consider jurisdiction, judge history, opposing counsel's track record, and fact patterns to provide data-driven insights that inform settlement decisions and litigation strategy. Pricing optimization AI systems can analyze historical metadata to develop more accurate pricing models, helping firms move beyond the billable hour to alternative fee arrangements that better align with client interests while maintaining profitability. Resource allocation advanced AI tools help firm leadership make informed decisions about staffing, practice area growth, and client development by identifying patterns and opportunities that might otherwise remain hidden in firm data. Enhance client experience and engagement. 24/7 client communication AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants provide immediate responses to routine client inquiries, ensuring clients feel supported even outside business hours. These systems can explain legal concepts in plain language, update clients on case status, and seamlessly escalate complex matters to human attorneys when needed. Transparent value demonstration with AI analytics tracking matter progress. firms can provide clients with unprecedented visibility into their legal spend, demonstrating clear return on investment and building deeper trust. Personalized legal services by analyzing client history and preferences. AI helps firms tailor their approach to each client's unique needs and communication style, creating more satisfying client relationships and stronger retention. Risk mitigation and compliance. Conflict checking AI systems can perform comprehensive conflict checks across vast databases of client information, identify potential issues that might be missed in manual reviews, and protecting firm reputation. Regulatory compliance, from anti-money laundering requirements to data privacy regulations. AI tools continuously monitor changing legal requirements across jurisdictions, alerting firms to compliance obligations and reducing regulatory risk. Error detection. Advanced proofreading algorithms catch not just spelling and grammar issues, but also legal inconsistencies, citation errors, and factual discrepancies that might otherwise lead to embarrassing or costly mistakes. Operational transformation. Knowledge management AI transforms how firms capture, organize, and leverage their collective expertise. Modern knowledge management systems powered by AI can understand the context of attorney queries and deliver precisely relevant precedents, templates, and insights from the firm's repository of work product. Workflow optimization. By analyzing how matters progress to the firm, AI identifies bottlenecks and inefficiencies, suggesting process improvements that reduce non-billable time and improve client service. Talent optimization. From identifying which associates might be best suited for particular matters to providing personalized professional development recommendations. AI helps firms maximize their human capital investments. Competitive differentiation. Innovation leadership. Firms that successfully implement AI solutions can position themselves as forward-thinking industry leaders, attracting both clients and talent who value technological sophistication. New service offerings. AI enables firms to develop entirely new legal products and services, from subscription-based compliance monitoring to automated self-service options for routine legal needs, creating new revenue streams. Data-driven client insights. By analyzing industry trends and client data, AI helps firms anticipate client needs and proactively offer solutions, transforming reactive legal service providers into trusted strategic advisors. The path forward. Human-AI collaboration. The most successful implementation of AI in law firms doesn't diminish the role of attorneys. It elevates it. By handling routine tasks, AI frees legal professionals to focus on the aspects of practice that remain uniquely human, building relationships, exercising judgment, navigating ethical complexities, and providing the empathetic counsel that clients truly value. The firms that thrive in this new era will be those that view AI not merely as a cost-saving tool, but as a strategic partner in delivering exceptional legal services. By embracing the transformative benefits of artificial intelligence, today's law firms can build more sustainable, profitable practices while better serving their clients and communities. The future of legal practice isn't about choosing between human expertise and artificial intelligence. It's about creating powerful synergies between them. The question isn't whether your firm will be affected by this technological revolution, but whether you'll be at its forefront. Examples of AI in action: document review and analysis, legal research and case prediction, client communication and legal chatbot, case studies and real-world impact, law firms using AI for increased efficiency, how AI is improving client experience, future of legal tech with AI, artificial intelligence AI, is redefining industries across the globe, and the legal sector is no exception. The future of AI in law promises to transform how legal professionals operate, creating more efficient processes, enhancing decision-making, and improving access to justice. For legal professionals, corporate legal teams, law firms, educators, students, government bodies, and tech-savvy entrepreneurs, understanding and embracing AI technology is no longer optional. It's essential. The future is unfolding, and AI is poised to be the driving force behind a smarter, faster, and more accessible legal industry. Imagine a legal landscape where routine tasks, such as document review, contract management, and legal research, are automated. AI will enable legal professionals to focus on strategic, high-value work, instead of spending countless hours on time-consuming tasks. In this future, lawyers and legal teams will collaborate with AI-driven platforms to increase productivity and deliver superior services, empowering them to work smarter, not harder. This transformation isn't just about technology. It's about freeing human expertise to tackle the most complex legal challenges. For corporate legal teams and law firms, AI represents an opportunity to improve client services while reducing operational costs. AI-powered tools can analyze contracts, identify potential risks, ensure compliance, and predict litigation outcomes with unprecedented accuracy and speed. By automating these tasks, legal teams can manage higher workloads with fewer resources, providing clients with faster, more cost-effective solutions. This increased efficiency will give organizations a competitive edge, helping them navigate complex regulatory environments and ensure legal compliance in real time. Legal research is another area where AI is making strides. Traditional legal research can be painstakingly slow, requiring hours of manual work to sift through case law, statutes, and regulations. AI-powered research platforms, fueled by machine learning and natural language processing (NLP), can analyze vast amounts of legal data in seconds. These tools are not only faster but also more precise, identifying key precedents and offering insights that would be difficult for a human researcher to uncover. The result is a more thorough, data-driven approach to building legal strategies. For legal educators and students, AI is opening up new ways to learn and practice law. Tomorrow's lawyers will need to be proficient in the use of AI tools, and law schools are increasingly incorporating AI into their curricula. AI-powered simulations, case studies, and legal research tools provide students with hands-on experience that prepares them for the AI-enhanced legal world. The ability to leverage AI technology will be a critical skill for future legal professionals, offering them a competitive advantage as the industry continues to evolve. For tech-savvy entrepreneurs, AI is unlocking new opportunities to innovate and disrupt traditional legal services. AI-powered platforms are democratizing access to legal advice and services, offering tools for individuals and small businesses to handle legal matters without needing to engage expensive law firms. These platforms provide automated contract generation, legal compliance checks, and even dispute resolution tools, lowering the barriers to legal support and empowering businesses of all sizes to navigate the legal system more effectively. AI's impact on access to justice is one of the most exciting developments in the field. Nonprofits and access to justice organizations are leveraging AI to extend legal services to underserved communities. Through AI-powered chatbots, document automation, and legal advice tools, individuals can receive assistance with everything from immigration paperwork to small claims without the need for a lawyer. This technology helps bridge the justice gap, providing legal guidance to those who may not have the means to hire traditional legal representation. The future of AI in law isn't just about efficiency. It's about making the legal system more equitable and accessible to everyone. Government bodies and regulatory agencies also stand to benefit from AI's potential. AI can streamline regulatory processes, predict the impact of new legislation, and monitor compliance in real time. Regulatory bodies can leverage AI to identify patterns of noncompliance, detect fraud, and ensure that laws are enforced efficiently. This will create a more transparent and accountable legal system, enabling governments to respond quickly to changing legal landscapes and provide more effective oversight. But with all of this potential, the future of AI in law must also address critical ethical considerations. AI systems must be transparent, explainable, and free from bias to ensure fairness in legal decisions. Legal professionals and AI developers will need to work closely with policymakers to establish guidelines that govern the responsible use of AI in the legal field. By doing so, the legal industry can ensure that AI enhances justice rather than undermining it, providing tools that are trusted, reliable, and equitable. The role of the lawyer is evolving, and AI will be a key component of that transformation. Lawyers will increasingly act as strategic advisors, supported by AI tools that handle the data-heavy, routine tasks. This shift will allow legal professionals to spend more time on client interactions, creative problem-solving, and delivering tailored legal strategies. Far from replacing lawyers, AI will amplify their abilities, making them more effective in providing expert legal counsel. For clients and businesses, the benefits of AI-powered legal services are clear. AI will enable faster turnaround times, more accurate legal advice, and better risk management. Businesses will have access to real-time legal insights that allow them to make more informed decisions and respond proactively to legal challenges. Whether it's drafting contracts, managing compliance, or handling litigation, AI will be a vital partner in helping businesses operate more efficiently and reduce legal risks. The future of AI in law is bright, and it's unfolding faster than many might expect. For those in the legal industry, now is the time to embrace this change, explore the potential of AI, and position yourself at the forefront of this transformation. AI is not just a tool. It's a catalyst for a new era of legal practice, one that is smarter, more efficient, and more accessible. As the legal landscape evolves, collaboration between legal professionals, AI developers, educators, and regulators will be key to unlocking the full potential of AI-powered legal tech. Together, we can build a future where AI enhances the practice of law, improves access to justice, and empowers legal teams to deliver better, faster, and more cost-effective solutions. The future of AI in law is now. Are you ready to lead the way? As artificial intelligence, AI, reshapes industries across the globe, the role of lawyers is evolving rapidly. Far from being replaced by technology, lawyers of the AI era are becoming more essential, acting as strategic advisors and guardians of justice in a world driven by data. For legal professionals, corporate legal teams, law firms, educators, students, and tech entrepreneurs, AI is not only a tool for increased efficiency, it's an opportunity to redefine what it means to practice law in the modern age. The AI era presents both challenges and opportunities for lawyers. Routine tasks, such as contract review, document drafting, and legal research, are being automated by AI-powered platforms. This shift allows lawyers to focus on the most critical and high-value aspects of their work: creative problem-solving, negotiation, advocacy, and providing tailored legal strategies to clients. In this new landscape, lawyers are not just legal experts. They are advisors who blend human insight with AI-driven data to deliver better, faster, and more informed legal services. For corporate legal teams and law firms, AI is enhancing decision-making and operational efficiency. AI tools can rapidly analyze large volumes of contracts, flagging risks, ensuring compliance, and streamlining workflows. This frees up time for lawyers to engage in strategic planning and client relationships, allowing them to focus on delivering high-level counsel rather than being buried in administrative tasks. In the AI era, legal teams become more agile and responsive, able to scale their services to meet increasing demands without sacrificing quality. Legal research, one of the most time-consuming elements of legal practice, is also being transformed by AI. Traditionally, research required hours of manual labor to search through case law, statutes, and regulations. Today, AI-powered research platforms equipped with natural language processing (NLP) can quickly and accurately identify relevant legal precedents, offering actionable insights in minutes. Lawyers are empowered to build stronger cases with the aid of AI's speed and precision, all while maintaining their essential role in interpreting and applying legal principles to the unique nuances of each case. For legal educators and students, the AI era represents a pivotal shift in legal education. Tomorrow's lawyers must not only understand the law, but also how to integrate AI into their practice. Law schools are increasingly incorporating AI tools into their curricula, preparing students to navigate an AI-enhanced legal world. The ability to leverage AI effectively will be a critical skill for the next generation of legal professionals, enabling them to offer more innovative and strategic services to clients. The rise of AI also brings new opportunities for tech-savvy entrepreneurs who are revolutionizing the legal industry with AI-powered solutions. From automated contract management platforms to AI-driven dispute resolution tools, entrepreneurs are building products that democratize access to legal services. Lawyers play a key role in shaping these innovations, ensuring that AI technologies are designed to align with legal principles and uphold ethical standards. By collaborating with AI developers, lawyers can help create technologies that enhance, not replace, the role of human expertise in the legal system. For government bodies and regulatory agencies, AI offers tools that can improve the transparency and efficiency of legal processes. AI can assist in monitoring regulatory compliance, predicting the impact of new legislation, and detecting fraud or misconduct. However, the use of AI in regulatory oversight requires careful legal guidance to ensure that technologies are used fairly and transparently. Lawyers will be essential in advising on the ethical use of AI in government, ensuring that AI tools respect the rights of individuals while improving governance and enforcement. Perhaps one of the most exciting aspects of the AI era is the potential for lawyers to improve access to justice. Nonprofits and access to justice organizations are using AI to extend legal services to underserved communities. AI-powered platforms provide individuals with legal advice, document automation, and guidance through complex legal processes. By collaborating with these organizations, lawyers can help ensure that AI-driven tools are legally sound and ethically responsible, creating more equitable access to justice for all. While AI brings many benefits to the legal industry, it also raises important ethical questions. Lawyers will play a critical role in navigating the ethical implications of AI technologies, particularly when it comes to issues such as data privacy, algorithmic bias, and transparency. Ensuring that AI tools are designed and used in ways that protect client confidentiality, promote fairness, and avoid discrimination will require close collaboration between legal professionals, AI developers, and policymakers. In the AI era, lawyers will continue to be the trusted advisors that clients turn to for navigating complex legal challenges. However, their role will expand beyond traditional legal expertise. Lawyers will need to understand the capabilities and limitations of AI, guiding their clients through the legal implications of new technologies, and ensuring that AI systems are used ethically and responsibly. The lawyer of the future will be a blend of legal expert, strategic advisor, and technology-savvy leader. For clients and businesses, the AI era means better legal services that are faster, more cost-effective, and more tailored to their needs. AI can help businesses manage regulatory compliance, reduce legal risks, and make more informed decisions. But behind every AI-powered solution will be a lawyer providing the strategic insight and ethical guidance needed to navigate the complexities of the legal landscape. The role of lawyers in the AI era is not just about keeping up with technological change. It's about leading it. Lawyers will be at the forefront of ensuring that AI is used to enhance the practice of law, improve access to justice, and uphold the principles of fairness and accountability that are at the heart of the legal profession. By embracing AI, legal professionals have the opportunity to create a more efficient, equitable, and innovative legal system. The future of law is being shaped by AI, and lawyers are the key to ensuring that this future is bright. By combining their legal expertise with the power of AI, lawyers can deliver better outcomes for their clients, create more efficient legal processes, and play a vital role in shaping the ethical use of technology in society. The AI era is here, and lawyers are more important than ever. Are you ready to step into the future? Embrace the power of AI and take your role as a legal professional to the next level. Together, we can redefine the practice of law and create a legal system that is smarter, faster, and more just. In an age where algorithms analyze contracts and predict case outcomes, the question inevitably arises, what becomes of the lawyer? Far from rendering attorneys obsolete, artificial intelligence is redefining and elevating the legal profession, creating unprecedented opportunities for those who understand how to harness this powerful technology while leveraging their uniquely human capabilities. Beyond automation, the augmented attorney. The legal profession stands at the cusp of its most significant transformation since the advent of digital research tools. Today's forward-thinking lawyers aren't merely users of technology. They are architects of a new legal paradigm where human expertise and artificial intelligence form a symbiotic relationship that delivers superior outcomes for clients. This new breed of augmented attorney excels by focusing on high-value judgment. As AI handles document review, contract analysis, and legal research, lawyers can dedicate more attention to strategic decision-making, creative problem-solving, and nuanced ethical considerations that remain beyond the reach of algorithms. Becoming AI translators. Successful modern attorneys serve as bridges between technical capabilities and practical legal applications, interpreting AI outputs and contextualizing them within broader legal frameworks and client needs. The most valuable legal professionals now combine traditional legal knowledge with technological literacy, understanding not just what AI can do, but its limitations and potential biases. The integration of AI into legal practice isn't eliminating legal jobs. It's creating entirely new categories of legal work. These specialized attorneys help design and train AI systems, translating legal expertise into algorithms that can assist with everything from compliance monitoring to predictive analytics. As AI adoption accelerates, organizations need guidance on the ethical and legal implications of these technologies, opening new advisory opportunities for lawyers with relevant expertise. Redesigning legal workflows to optimize human-AI collaboration requires professionals who understand both technology capabilities and legal practice requirements. Attorneys who can leverage data analytics to derive actionable insights about litigation trends, regulatory patterns, and business risks are increasingly valuable to corporate clients. As AI becomes central to business operations, lawyers skilled in evaluating AI systems and their associated risks during M&A transactions are in growing demand. While artificial intelligence excels at pattern recognition and information processing, the core of legal practice remains profoundly human. Tomorrow's most successful lawyers will distinguish themselves through capabilities that remain beyond algorithmic reach. The ability to understand clients' unstated concerns, manage emotional dynamics, and provide reassurance during difficult legal challenges remains a uniquely human strength. Resolving complex ethical dilemmas requires moral reasoning and value judgments that AI cannot replicate, particularly in novel situations without clear precedent. Developing innovative legal arguments, crafting unique settlement approaches, and identifying unconventional solutions to complex problems still demand human creativity. The art of compelling storytelling, emotional connection, and persuasion in courtrooms and negotiations remains firmly in the human domain. Appreciating how legal issues fit within broader social, business, and political contexts, and what that means for client interests, requires human wisdom and experience. For lawyers seeking to thrive in this evolving landscape, several approaches prove valuable. Embrace continuous learning. Successful legal professionals commit to ongoing education about AI capabilities, limitations, and emerging applications in legal practice. Cultivate T-shaped expertise. Developing deep knowledge in a specialized legal area while maintaining breadth in understanding technological applications creates highly marketable expertise. Focus on collaborative intelligence, learning to work seamlessly with AI tools, understanding when to rely on technology and when to apply human judgment becomes a critical skill. Develop adjacent expertise. Knowledge in fields like data privacy, intellectual property, regulatory compliance, and technology ethics becomes increasingly valuable as these areas intersect with AI development. Reimagine client value. As routine tasks become automated, innovative fee structures and new service offerings that emphasize strategic counsel over procedural work become competitive differentiators, leading the transformation. The legal profession has repeatedly adapted to technological change throughout its history, from the printing press to the telephone to computerized research. Those who have thrived did so not by resisting innovation, but by harnessing it to enhance their practice. Today's visionary legal professionals aren't asking whether AI will change their profession. They're actively shaping how that change unfolds. By embracing artificial intelligence as a powerful collaboration partner, rather than viewing it as a threat, they're creating a future where legal practice becomes more efficient, accessible, and impactful. The era of AI doesn't signal the end of lawyers. It heralds a renaissance of legal practice where technology handles the routine while human attorneys focus on the profound. For those willing to evolve, the opportunities have never been greater to make a meaningful difference in the lives of clients and the advancement of justice. The future of law belongs to those who recognize that the greatest legal technology isn't just about what computers can do. It's about what empowered legal minds can accomplish with these powerful new tools at their disposal.
Thank you for watching.
Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing various industries, and education is no exception. As technology continues to advance, the integration of AI into educational settings is creating new opportunities for personalized learning, efficient content creation, and innovative teaching methods. This transformation impacts not just educators and students, but also instructional designers who play a crucial role in shaping the future of education. In this session, we will explore how AI is being used in education, how different stakeholders are benefiting from its capabilities, and the ethical considerations that arise with its growing influence. The use of AI by instructional designers Instructional designers are responsible for developing educational materials, programs, and courses that meet the learning needs of students. AI is transforming this role by providing powerful tools that enhance the design process, allowing instructional designers to create more personalized and adaptive learning experiences. AI-powered platforms can analyze vast amounts of data to identify learning patterns, enabling designers to create content that caters to diverse learning styles and preferences. For instance, adaptive learning platforms can adjust the difficulty of lessons based on student performance, ensuring that learners receive the appropriate level of challenge. This level of customization would be difficult to achieve without the help of AI. Moreover, AI tools can automate time-consuming tasks such as generating assessments, quizzes, and course outlines. By streamlining these processes, instructional designers can focus on creative and strategic aspects of course development. AI can also provide real-time feedback on instructional materials, suggesting improvements based on user engagement and learning outcomes, further optimizing the design process. The educational landscape is undergoing a profound transformation, driven by the remarkable capabilities of artificial intelligence. For instructional designers, this isn't merely a technological shift. It's a renaissance, a chance to sculpt learning experiences that are more engaging, effective, and personalized than ever before. AI offers a suite of tools that empower us to move beyond the one-size-fits-all model, ushering in an era of truly individualized education, unleashing the power of data-driven design. At the heart of AI's impact lies its capacity to analyze vast data sets of student interactions. For instructional designers, this translates to invaluable insights into learning patterns, knowledge gaps, and individual preferences. AI-powered learning analytics platforms target interventions, optimizing content delivery and assessment strategies. Imagine a system that tracks a student's progress through a module, identifying recurring errors and suggesting personalized learning paths. AI can adapt the difficulty level of exercises, provide tailored feedback, and even recommend supplementary resources based on individual needs. This level of customization ensures that every learner receives the support they require to succeed, fostering a sense of agency and motivation, automating the mundane, amplifying the creative. One of the most exciting aspects of AI is its ability to automate time-consuming tasks, freeing up instructional designers to focus on creative aspects of their work. AI-powered tools can generate multiple-choice questions, create interactive simulations, and even translate content into different languages. This automation not only streamlines the design process, but also allows for rapid iteration and experimentation. Consider the task of creating personalized feedback for hundreds of students. AI can analyze student responses, identify common errors, and generate individualized feedback that is both specific and constructive. This not only saves time, but also ensures that every student receives meaningful and actionable guidance, building intelligent tutoring systems and adaptive learning experiences. AI enables the development of intelligent tutoring systems that can provide personalized instruction and support in real time. These systems can adapt to a student's learning style, offering hints and explanations as needed. AI can also facilitate the creation of adaptive learning experiences, where the content and pacing of instruction are dynamically adjusted based on the student's performance. Imagine a virtual tutor that can guide a student through a complex mathematical problem, offering hints and explanations as needed. AI can analyze the student's responses, identify misconceptions, and provide targeted feedback to help them overcome their challenges. This level of personalized support can significantly enhance student learning outcomes, enhancing accessibility and inclusivity. AI also holds immense potential for enhancing accessibility and inclusivity in education. AI-powered tools can generate closed captions for videos, translate text into different languages, and even provide real-time audio descriptions for visual content. This ensures that all students, regardless of their background or abilities, have access to high-quality learning resources. Imagine a student with visual impairments who can access a complex diagram through an AI-powered audio description. AI can provide a detailed and engaging description of the diagram, allowing the student to fully understand the concepts being presented. This level of accessibility is crucial for creating a truly inclusive learning environment. The future of instructional design. As AI continues to evolve, its impact on instructional design will only grow stronger. We are entering an era where learning is no longer confined to traditional classrooms, but is personalized, accessible, and engaging. AI empowers instructional designers to create learning experiences that are not only effective, but also transformative. The future of education is not about replacing human teachers, but about augmenting their capabilities with the power of AI. It's about creating a symbiotic relationship where technology and human expertise work together to unlock the full potential of every learner. For instructional designers, this is an exciting opportunity to shape the future of education and create a world where learning is truly personalized and accessible to all. Instructional designers are increasingly leveraging AI tools to streamline their workflows, enhance content creation, and personalize learning experiences. Here's a breakdown of some key AI applications and tools they commonly use. Content generation and curation. ChatGPT and other large language models, LLMs, assist in generating course outlines, writing learning objectives, crafting scenario-based learning content, and even creating initial drafts of instructional text. They can also help summarize complex information, making it easier to distill essential concepts. Jasper.ai and Copy.ai are AI writing tools that help generate marketing copy for courses, create engaging descriptions, and produce various forms of written content, including scripts and learning materials. Visual and multimedia creation. DALL-E and Midjourney are AI image generators that enable instructional designers to create custom visuals, graphics, and illustrations for their courses, saving time and resources. Synthesia and HeyGen are AI video generation platforms allow designers to create professional-looking videos with AI avatars and voiceovers, simplifying video production. Well-Said Labs and No-CodeAI are AI voiceover tools generate realistic voice narrations for e-learning modules, providing flexibility and efficiency in audio production. Learning design and development. AI-powered authoring tools are e-learning authoring tools are integrating AI features to automate tasks like generating quizzes, creating interactive exercises, and adapting content based on learner data. AI-driven analytics platforms help instructional designers analyze learner data, identify areas of improvement, and personalize learning paths. AI tools can automatically generate accurate transcripts and translations, making learning materials more accessible to diverse learners. Key benefits for instructional designers are increased efficiency, enhanced creativity, personalized learning, and improved accessibility. AI automates repetitive tasks, freeing up designers to focus on strategic and creative aspects of their work. AI tools can generate new ideas and provide inspiration for innovative learning experiences. AI facilitates the creation of adaptive and personalized learning paths that cater to individual learner needs. AI tools help create accessible content for learners with disabilities and diverse language backgrounds. As AI technology continues to evolve, instructional designers will find even more ways to leverage these tools to create engaging, effective, and personalized learning experiences. The use of AI by educators. For educators, AI is a powerful ally that enhances teaching effectiveness and simplifies administrative tasks. One of the most significant benefits of AI in the classroom is its ability to support personalized learning. AI systems can analyze student data to identify individual strengths and weaknesses, allowing teachers to tailor their instruction to meet each student's unique needs. This leads to more targeted interventions, better student engagement, and improved learning outcomes. AI-powered tools, such as intelligent tutoring systems, can also provide students with immediate feedback and guidance outside of regular class hours. These systems act as virtual assistants, helping students understand complex concepts and solve problems in real time. For teachers, this means that they can offer support even when they're not physically present, ensuring continuous learning for students. Furthermore, AI can take over routine administrative tasks, such as grading, scheduling, and tracking student progress. Automating these tasks allows educators to spend more time on instructional activities and building meaningful connections with their students. With AI handling the operational aspects, educators can focus on delivering high-quality, engaging, and personalized learning experiences. Empowering educators. AI as a catalyst for personalized learning. Artificial intelligence is rapidly reshaping the landscape of education, offering educators a powerful toolkit to enhance teaching and learning. Beyond just automation, AI provides opportunities to personalize instruction, streamline administrative tasks, and foster deeper student engagement. For educators, this translates to a transformative shift, enabling them to become more effective facilitators of learning in the digital age. Personalizing the learning journey. One of the most profound impacts of AI on education is its ability to personalize learning experiences. Educators can leverage AI-powered tools to analyze student data, identify individual learning styles, and tailor instruction accordingly. Adaptive learning platforms, for instance, can adjust the pace and content of lessons based on each student's progress. This ensures that every student receives the right level of challenge and support, maximizing their potential. Imagine a teacher using an AI-driven platform that provides real-time feedback on student performance. The system can identify areas where students are struggling and suggest personalized resources, such as videos, articles, or practice exercises. This allows the teacher to provide targeted interventions, addressing individual needs, and fostering a more engaging learning environment. Streamlining administrative tasks and freeing up teacher time. AI can also significantly reduce the administrative burden on educators, freeing up valuable time for teaching and student interaction. Tasks such as grading assignments, generating reports, and even scheduling parent-teacher conferences can be automated using AI-powered tools. This allows teachers to focus on what they do best, inspiring and guiding their students. Consider the time spent grading multiple choice quizzes or short answer responses. AI can automate this process, providing instant feedback to students and generating detailed reports for teachers. This not only saves time, but also allows teachers to identify areas where students are struggling and provide targeted support, enhancing student engagement and motivation. AI can also be used to create more engaging and interactive learning experiences. Gamified learning platforms, for example, can use AI to personalize challenges and rewards, motivating students to participate and excel. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, experiences powered by AI can bring abstract concepts to life, making learning more immersive and memorable. Imagine a history lesson where a student can explore ancient Rome through a VR simulation, guided by an AI-powered virtual tour guide. Or a science lesson where students can conduct virtual experiments, manipulating variables and observing the results in real time. These experiences not only enhance engagement, but also foster a deeper understanding of complex concepts, providing data-driven insights for informed decision-making. AI-powered learning analytics platforms can provide educators with valuable insights into student performance, allowing them to make data-driven decisions about their teaching strategies. These platforms can track student progress, identify learning patterns, and even predict future performance. This information can be used to personalize instruction, identify at-risk students, and improve overall learning outcomes. Imagine a teacher using an AI-powered dashboard that provides real-time data on student engagement and performance. The dashboard can highlight areas where students are struggling and suggest interventions to address these challenges. This allows the teacher to make informed decisions about their teaching strategies, ensuring that every student receives the support they need to succeed. The collaborative future of education. The integration of AI into education is not about replacing teachers, but about empowering them with powerful tools to enhance their effectiveness. AI can act as a collaborative partner, providing personalized support, streamlining administrative tasks, and fostering engaging learning experiences. By embracing AI, educators can create a more personalized, effective, and equitable learning environment for all students. This collaboration will redefine the role of the educator, shifting from a sage on the stage to a guide on the side, fostering lifelong learners. AI is rapidly transforming the tools available to educators, offering ways to streamline tasks, personalize learning, and enhance student engagement. Here are some key categories and examples of AI apps that educators are utilizing. AI-powered teaching assistants. Kamigo Khan Academy has an AI tool that assists teachers with tasks like lesson planning, generating discussion prompts, and creating rubrics. It also provides personalized tutoring for students, guiding them through problem-solving rather than simply giving answers. TeachMade AI is a platform that offers a range of AI tools designed to support teachers with daily tasks, including lesson planning, report writing, and generating activity ideas. It aims to reduce teacher workload and free up time for more personalized student interaction. Brisk Teaching is a Chrome extension gives teachers tools to create content, give feedback to students, and help with differentiation of lessons. It is designed to work within the online environment that educators already use. GradeScope is an AI-powered tool streamlines the grading process, especially for handwritten assignments. It analyzes student responses, provides consistent grading, and offers insights into student understanding. Quizzes is known for its engaging quizzes. Quizzes also provides AI-powered analytics to track student performance and identify areas where they need support. Google is integrating AI into its educational tools to help educators create engaging content, personalize learning experiences, and streamline administrative tasks. This provides help within tools that many educators already use, like Google Classroom. Edpuzzle is a platform that allows teachers to take online videos and embed questions into them. AI is used to help with the data gathered from the student answers. Otter.ai provides accurate transcriptions of audio recordings, which can be helpful for recording lectures, meetings, and student discussions. It enhances accessibility for students with hearing impairments and provides valuable study resources. AI automates time-consuming tasks, giving teachers more time for instruction, helps educators tailor instruction to individual student needs, provides valuable data on student performance, informing instructional decisions, and make learning more accessible to students with diverse needs. It's important to note that the use of AI in education is still evolving, and educators are continually discovering new and innovative ways to leverage these technologies. The use of AI by students. Students are at the center of the AI-driven transformation in education. AI offers students access to learning resources that are tailored to their individual needs, allowing them to learn at their own pace and in their preferred style. AI-powered learning platforms can provide personalized study plans, recommend resources based on student performance, and even predict areas where a student might struggle, offering targeted interventions to prevent learning gaps. Virtual tutors and AI-driven learning assistants are becoming increasingly popular among students. These tools offer on-demand help, answer questions, and guide students through difficult concepts, making learning more interactive and accessible. Additionally, AI can facilitate collaborative learning by connecting students with peers or experts who can provide guidance and support. AI also empowers students by enabling them to engage in self-directed learning. With intelligent systems tracking their progress and providing real-time feedback, students can take ownership of their learning journey. They can explore subjects of interest, work on areas that need improvement, and challenge themselves with advanced content, all under the guidance of AI-driven platforms that adapt to their evolving need. The advent of artificial intelligence is not just transforming how educators teach. It's fundamentally reshaping how students learn. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a present-day reality, offering students personalized learning experiences, enhanced accessibility, and powerful tools to navigate the complexities of education. For students, this translates to a more engaging, efficient, and empowering learning journey. AI enables students to access personalized learning pathways tailored to their individual needs and learning styles. Adaptive learning platforms, driven by AI, can analyze a student performance and adjust the difficulty level, content, and pacing of instruction in real time. This ensures that students are constantly challenged and supported, fostering a deeper understanding of material. Imagine a student using an AI-powered study tool that identifies their strengths and weaknesses in a particular subject. The tool can then generate personalized practice exercises, recommend relevant resources, and provide targeted feedback, ensuring that the student focuses on the areas where they need the most support. This level of customization allows students to learn at their own pace and maximize their learning potential. AI is breaking down barriers to learning, making education more accessible and inclusive for all students. AI-powered tools can provide real-time translation, generate closed captions for videos, and even convert text to speech, ensuring that students with disabilities or language barriers have equal access to learning resources. Consider a student with dyslexia who can use an AI-powered text-to-speech tool to listen to their textbooks, or a student who is visually impaired and can access detailed audio descriptions of complex diagrams. AI's capacity to personalize and adapt content ensures that every student can access and engage with educational materials in a way that suits their individual needs. AI as a powerful study companion. AI is becoming an invaluable study companion, offering students a range of tools to enhance their learning and productivity. AI-powered chatbots can answer questions, provide definitions, and even generate summaries of complex texts. Language learning apps, driven by AI, can provide personalized feedback and practice exercises. And AI-powered research tools can help students find relevant information and analyze data efficiently. Imagine a student using an AI-powered chatbot to clarify a concept they are struggling with. The chatbot can provide clear and concise explanations, offer examples, and even generate practice questions. Or a student using an AI-powered writing tool that provides feedback on grammar, style, and clarity. These tools empower students to take ownership of their learning and develop essential skill. AI is not just about memorization and recall. It's also about developing critical thinking and problem-solving skills. AI-powered simulations and virtual reality experiences can provide students with immersive and interactive learning environments where they can apply their knowledge to real-world scenarios. Imagine a student using an AI-powered simulation to design and test a bridge, learning about the principles of engineering and physics in a hands-on way. Or a student participating in a virtual debate, using AI-powered tools to research arguments and analyze opposing viewpoints. These experiences foster critical thinking, creativity, and problem-solving skills, preparing students for the challenges of the 21st century. AI is empowering students to become active and engaged learners, taking control of their educational journey. It's not about replacing human interaction, but about augmenting student capabilities with powerful tools. AI offers students personalized pathways, enhanced accessibility, and intelligent support, creating a more engaging, efficient, and equitable learning environment. As AI continues to evolve, students will become increasingly adept at using these technologies to unlock their full potential, shaping the future of their own learning and beyond. The integration of AI into educational tools is providing students with unprecedented resources for studying. Here are some categories and examples of AI apps that students commonly use. StudyFetch's platform allows students to upload course materials, notes, PDFs, videos, and generates various study tools like flashcards, quizzes, and personalized AI tutoring. It uses AI to analyze the uploaded content and create interactive study sets, and also offers features like lecture summaries and session grading. MindGrasp on transforming learning materials into actionable insights. It can generate AI notes, summaries, flashcards, and quizzes from various sources, including lectures, documents, and online content. Also includes an AI tutor that can answer questions and provide explanations. Grammarly is not solely for studying, but Grammarly is essential for students' writing. It uses AI to check grammar, spelling, punctuation, and style, providing real-time feedback, and helps students improve their writing clarity and overall academic writing skills. Quillbot AI helps with paraphrasing, summarizing, and grammar checking. It can be useful for students who need to rephrase text, condense information, or improve their writing. Google Gemini AI can be used for research and to help students to gather information and to help to understand complex topics. Chat PDF tool allows students to upload PDF documents and then ask questions about the content. It can be very helpful for analyzing research papers, textbooks, and other lengthy documents. Natural Readers is a text-to-speech tool. It can help students with reading difficulties or those who prefer auditory learning. It can read aloud textbooks, articles, and other digital content. AI adapts to individual learning styles and paces and automates tasks like summarizing and creating study materials. AI provides explanations and clarifies complex concepts, and tools support students with disabilities and language barriers. It's important for students to use these tools responsibly and ethically, focusing on enhancing their learning rather than relying on them for shortcuts. While the use of AI in education offers numerous benefits, it also raises important ethical considerations that must be addressed to ensure its responsible implementation. One of the primary concerns is data privacy. AI systems rely on large amounts of student data to function effectively, and the collection, storage, and use of this data must be handled with care. Schools and educational institutions need to implement robust data protection policies to safeguard students' personal information and prevent misuse. Another ethical consideration is the potential for bias in AI algorithms. AI systems are only as unbiased as the data they are trained on. If the training data contains biases, whether related to race, gender, or socioeconomic status, the AI system may inadvertently perpetuate these biases in its recommendations and decisions. To address this issue, it is essential to ensure that AI systems are designed and tested with diverse datasets, and that ongoing monitoring is in place to identify and correct any biases that may arise. Additionally, there is a concern about the over-reliance on AI in education. While AI can enhance learning, it should not replace the human elements of education, such as emotional intelligence, empathy, and social interaction. Educators play a crucial role in fostering critical thinking, creativity, and collaboration, skills that are difficult for AI to replicate. Therefore, AI should be seen as a tool that complements human educators, rather than replacing them. Finally, the accessibility of AI-driven educational tools is an important consideration. There's a risk that students from underserved or economically disadvantaged backgrounds may not have equal access to AI-powered learning platforms, leading to a widening of the educational divide. To ensure equitable access to AI-enhanced education, policymakers and institutions must prioritize making these tools affordable and accessible to all students, regardless of their socioeconomic status. The use of AI in education is transforming the way instructional designers, educators, and students approach learning. AI enables personalized learning experiences, enhances teaching effectiveness, and empowers students to take control of their education. However, as with any technological advancement, it is essential to consider the ethical implications of AI's widespread adoption in education. By addressing concerns related to data privacy, bias, accessibility, and the human-AI balance, we can ensure that AI is used responsibly and effectively to create a brighter future for learners around the world. This is an exciting time for education, with AI offering endless possibilities for innovation and improvement. As we continue to explore the potential of AI in education, we must remain mindful of the challenges it presents and work together to harness its power for the benefit of all learners.
Thank you for watching.
Want a sneak peek at what's coming next? Stay right here. We've got something special lined up. Big thanks to our supporters and moderators in the chat. You all make this community amazing. We're moving on yet to another session. What's been your favorite moment so far? Drop a comment in the chat. We love to read from you. Let's make this a real discussion. What's your take on the last topic? Drop your thoughts in the chat. I want to hear all perspectives.
We are TechHub, the home of technology content.
Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing transportation, creating smarter, safer, and more efficient ways to move people and goods across our interconnected world. From autonomous vehicles to intelligent traffic management systems, AI technologies are reshaping the very fabric of transportation infrastructure and operations. Imagine a world where commutes are predictable, efficient, and stress-free. AI-powered traffic management systems can optimize traffic flow in real time, reducing congestion and delays. Data from connected vehicles can be used to anticipate bottlenecks and dynamically adjust traffic signals. Self-driving cars are becoming increasingly sophisticated, capable of navigating complex highway conditions with ease. AI algorithms enable autonomous vehicles to make split-second decisions, ensuring safety and efficiency. The integration of AI into vehicles allows for seamless communication and coordination on the highway. AI can power smart infrastructure elements like variable speed limits and dynamic lane management, optimizing traffic flow based on real-time conditions. Sensors and cameras can monitor road conditions and alert drivers to potential hazards. AI-driven maintenance systems can predict and prevent infrastructure failures. The impact on our lives is the expected reduced commute times and increased efficiency, which can lead to improved productivity and quality of life. Lower emissions from optimized traffic flow contribute to a cleaner environment. Increased accessibility and mobility for individuals with disabilities. The future is here. We are on the cusp of a transportation revolution driven by AI. The AI-powered highway of the future is a reality, and its potential to transform our lives is immense. Join us in exploring the exciting possibilities and challenges that lie ahead. The transportation sector has embraced AI as a transformative force, deploying sophisticated algorithms and machine learning models to solve complex mobility challenges. This technological evolution represents a paradigm shift from traditional transportation systems to intelligent networks that can learn, adapt, and optimize in real time. Autonomous vehicles, the flagship innovation. At the frontier of transportation technology, autonomous vehicles stand as the quintessential embodiment of artificial intelligence in motion. These self-driving marvels represent not merely an incremental advancement, but a revolutionary reimagining of how people and goods move throughout our world. For freight providers and supply chain managers especially, autonomous vehicles promise to transform logistics operations with unprecedented efficiency and reliability. Companies like Waymo, Tesla, and Cruise have made remarkable progress in developing autonomous driving systems that can navigate complex urban environments. The promise extends beyond convenience to potentially eliminating human error, which contributes to over 90% of traffic accidents. How the self-driving technology works. Autonomous vehicles operate through an intricate orchestration of advanced technologies working in harmonious concert. Sensor fusion, creating a digital understanding of the world. The foundation of autonomous driving begins with comprehensive environmental awareness through multiple sensing modalities. LiDAR, light detection and ranging, sends out millions of laser pulses per second to create precise 3D maps of the surrounding environment, detecting objects with millimeter precision regardless of lighting conditions. Radar systems complement LiDAR by measuring the velocity of moving objects and performing reliably in adverse weather conditions like fog, rain, and snow. High-definition cameras provide rich visual information, recognizing traffic signs, lane markings, and distinguishing between different types of road users. Ultrasonic sensors deliver close-range detection capabilities, particularly valuable for parking maneuvers and navigating tight spaces. GPS and inertial measurement units, IMUs, provide positioning data that, when combined with high-definition maps, allows the vehicle to understand exactly where it is in the world. This multi-sensor approach creates redundancy and reliability, with each system compensating for the limitations of others. The raw sensory data transforms into intelligent driving decisions through sophisticated AI systems. Deep neural networks process visual data, identifying objects from pedestrians to traffic signals with remarkable accuracy. Machine learning algorithms continuously improve performance through experience, learning to anticipate driver behaviors and adapt to new situations. Decision-making systems evaluate multiple potential paths and actions several times per second, choosing optimal maneuvers based on safety parameters, road rules, and efficiency. Specialized computing hardware, like GPUs and custom AI accelerators, perform trillions of calculations per second to enable real-time processing. The autonomous vehicle ecosystem. The self-driving revolution extends beyond individual vehicles to encompass an interconnected ecosystem. V2X communication. Vehicles as network entities. Vehicle-to-everything, V2X. Communication allows autonomous vehicles to share data with other vehicles, V2V, to coordinate movements, warn hazards, and optimize traffic flow. I uses infrastructure, V2I, to receive traffic signal timing, road condition alerts, and routing advice. The pedestrians, V2P, to enhance safety at crosswalks and in shared spaces, and networks, V2N, to access cloud computing resources and up-to-date mapping data. This connected intelligence creates a transportation network that is greater than the sum of its freight providers and supply chain managers. Autonomous vehicles represent a paradigm shift in operational capabilities by revolutionizing long-haul logistics. The impact on long-distance trucking will be profound. Continuous operation without mandatory rest periods could reduce shipping times by up to 50% for long routes. Fuel optimization through precise acceleration and deceleration profiles can reduce consumption by 10 to 15%. Platooning capabilities allow multiple trucks to travel in close formation, further reducing fuel costs through improved aerodynamics. Predictable delivery windows with elimination of human variability in driving times. Autonomous vehicles are reshaping final delivery operations. Sidewalk delivery robots navigate urban environments to deliver small packages directly to consumers. Autonomous delivery vans can operate in residential areas with multiple stops without driver fatigue concerns, and drone integration allows for hub-and-spoke models with autonomous ground vehicles serving as mobile launch platforms. Within logistics facilities, autonomous technology is equally transformative. Self-driving forklifts and pallet movers operate continuously, integrating with inventory management systems. Automated yard operations with self-driving yard trucks optimizing container and trailer movements. Seamless transitions between warehouse operations and over-the-road transportation. Supply chain leaders should consider a phased approach to autonomous vehicle adoption. Begin with controlled environments like distribution centers and warehouse yards. Expand to fixed routes between distribution centers with minimal variables. Implement hub-to-hub models on interstate highways. Gradually incorporate more complex environments as technology matures. Parts. The financial implications of autonomous vehicle adoption are substantial. Labor cost reductions of 60 to 70% compared to traditional driver-based operations. Extended asset utilization with 24/7 operation possibilities. Reduced accident costs with corresponding insurance premium decreases. Lower maintenance expenses through optimized driving patterns and predictive maintenance. Improve fuel efficiency delivering 10 to 15% savings on one of transportation's largest cost centers. For a typical long-haul trucking operation, the return on investment horizon for autonomous technology is estimated at 18 to 24 months. Challenges and considerations. Despite the promising outlook, several challenges remain. Regulatory landscape is Number 1. The legal framework for autonomous vehicles varies significantly. Interstate commerce regulations are still evolving for cross-border autonomous operations. Liability questions remain about responsibility in the event of accidents. Insurance models are adapting to new risk profiles and operational patterns. Infrastructure requirements. Optimal autonomous vehicle performance often requires high-definition mapping of operational areas, reliable communication networks with sufficient bandwidth and low latency, and standardized marking and signage for consistent visual recognition. Weather and environmental factors affect performance considerations such as where severe weather conditions like heavy snow or flooding can still challenge sensor systems. Regional variation in road design and traffic patterns requires localized training, and urban complexity with unpredictable pedestrian behavior presents ongoing challenges. The road ahead, future developments. The autonomous vehicle landscape continues to evolve rapidly. Several innovations promise to further enhance capabilities. Solid-state LiDAR will reduce costs and increase reliability through elimination of moving parts. Edge computing architectures will enable faster processing of sensor data. Advanced battery technology will extend range capabilities for electric autonomous vehicles. Quantum computing applications may eventually transform route optimization capabilities. Industry collaboration. The complexity of autonomous systems has fostered unprecedented collaboration, shared data initiatives between companies to improve safety algorithms, open source frameworks for certain autonomous driving components, cross-industry standards for testing and validation methodologies. Conclusion: preparing for the autonomous future. For tech enthusiasts, the autonomous vehicle revolution represents one of the most fascinating technological developments of our time. For freight providers and supply chain managers, it offers an unprecedented opportunity to reimagine logistics operations with extraordinary efficiency gains. Those who begin strategic planning and pilot implementations today will be best positioned to harness this transformative technology. The autonomous future isn't merely approaching for forward-thinking logistics professionals. It's already arriving at the loading dock, ready to revolutionize how goods move throughout our global economy. Predictive maintenance and fleet management. AI has transformed how transportation companies maintain their assets. Machine learning algorithms analyze vast amounts of sensor data from vehicles to predict component failures before they occur. This predictive maintenance approach reduces unexpected breakdowns by up to 70%, extends vehicle lifespan significantly, optimizes maintenance schedules and resource allocation, minimizes costly downtime and service disruptions. Fleet management has similarly evolved with AI. Intelligent routing algorithms consider numerous variables, traffic patterns, weather conditions, delivery windows, and fuel efficiency to determine optimal paths. Companies like UPS have implemented these systems to save millions of gallons of fuel annually while improving delivery times. Traffic management and urban mobility. Smart cities are implementing AI-powered traffic management systems that adaptively control traffic signals based on real-time conditions. These systems can reduce average commute times by 15 to 20%, decrease idle time at intersections, lower carbon emissions from vehicles, prioritize emergency vehicles and public transportation. Computer vision systems monitor traffic flow through cameras, while predictive analytics anticipate congestion before it forms. Cities like Singapore and Pittsburgh have implemented these technologies with significant improvements in traffic flow. For data scientists and analysts, transportation represents an exceptionally rich domain for AI applications. The field generates enormous volumes of structured and unstructured data. GPS positioning data from millions of vehicles, traffic camera footage, weather information, infrastructure sensor readings, historical traffic patterns and anomalies. Imagine a truck driver stuck in traffic for hours, delaying a critical delivery of essential medical supplies to a remote hospital. This is a stark example of the inefficiencies and unpredictability that plagued traditional freight logistics. Rising fuel costs and volatile energy prices have been a constant challenge for trucking companies, impacting profitability and forcing them to pass on higher costs to their customers. The ongoing driver shortage, exacerbated by an aging workforce and demanding working conditions, makes it difficult to find qualified drivers, leading to longer delivery times, increased costs, and reduced reliability. The ever-increasing demand for faster and more reliable deliveries puts immense pressure on trucking companies to operate at peak efficiency, a challenge amplified by fluctuating fuel prices, unpredictable weather conditions, and congested roads. AI, the game changer in freight logistics. AI-powered route optimization is revolutionizing the industry, with companies like Smart Truck utilizing advanced algorithms to analyze real-time traffic data, weather conditions, and road construction projects. This enables them to calculate the most efficient routes for each shipment, significantly reducing travel time, fuel consumption, and delivery costs. Driverless delivery is becoming a reality, with autonomous trucks using AI to navigate safely and efficiently, reducing human error and improving road safety. Companies like Waymo and Aurora are leading the charge in autonomous trucking, promising to transform the logistics industry. AI systems are also enhancing safety on the roads through advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS. These systems use AI to detect potential hazards, alert drivers, and even take control in critical situations, reducing the risk of accidents and promoting safer roads. AI for freight logistics. The rapid development of AI in freight logistics necessitates a clear regulatory framework to address concerns related to safety, liability, and data privacy. The U.S. Department of Transportation, DOT, is actively involved in developing guidelines and regulations for autonomous vehicles, including trucks. These regulations cover aspects like vehicle performance, safety testing, and driver training. Several states have implemented their own regulations for autonomous vehicles, reflecting variations in local priorities and concerns. Organizations like the International Organization for Standardization, ISO, and the United Nations Economic Commission for Europe and NICE are working on global standards for AI in transportation, aiming to ensure interoperability and safety across borders. Regulations like the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, and the California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA, are crucial to safeguarding sensitive data collected and processed by AI-powered systems in the logistics industry. Implementing AI-driven solutions in freight logistics has led to a significant reduction in transportation costs for many companies. Optimized routes, resource allocation, and predictive analytics have minimized fuel consumption, reduced labor costs, and enhanced profitability. AI has played a crucial role in improving the speed and reliability of deliveries. Real-time tracking, predictive analytics, and optimized routing allow for proactive problem solving, minimizing delays, and ensuring timely arrival shipments, enhancing customer satisfaction. AI is also contributing to a safer and more sustainable future for freight logistics. Autonomous trucks, which rely on AI for navigation and decision-making, have potential to significantly reduce human error-related accidents. Additionally, AI-powered systems can help optimize fuel efficiency, reducing greenhouse gas emissions and promoting environmentally friendly practices. The future of AI in freight logistics. The future of freight logistics is increasingly driven by AI, with exciting advancements like autonomous trucks, drone deliveries, and even blockchain technology for secure and transparent supply chain management on the horizon. These technologies have the potential to revolutionize the industry, further enhancing efficiency, safety, and sustainability. AI is also creating new job opportunities in the logistics sector. While some roles might be automated, the need for skilled professionals in data analysis, AI development, and logistics management is growing rapidly. It's time to embrace the future of freight logistics. We encourage viewers to explore the wide array of AI solutions available and discover how they can leverage these technologies to optimize their operations and gain a competitive advantage. AI-enhanced traffic management. Solving congestion with smart systems. Imagine sitting in gridlock, wasting precious time and fuel just to get to work or a doctor's appointment. This is a reality for millions of people worldwide as traffic congestion continues to plague our cities. Studies have shown that traffic congestion is a major economic burden, costing cities billions of dollars each year in lost productivity and wasted resources. According to a recent report by INRIX, the global cost of traffic congestion reached $4.2 trillion in 2024, highlighting the urgent need for innovative solutions. A glimpse into the future. AI's Traffic Symphony. AI-powered traffic management systems offer a revolutionary approach to solving congestion by leveraging data and algorithms to optimize traffic flow in real time. Imagine a future where traffic lights adapt to changing conditions, routes are dynamically adjusted based on real-time traffic, and even autonomous vehicles communicate with each other to avoid collisions. This is the promise of AI-powered traffic management, and recent advancements in artificial intelligence are making this vision a reality. AI-powered cities. A look at real-world successes. In Singapore, AI-powered traffic management systems have been deployed to analyze real-time data from cameras, sensors, and GPS devices, allowing traffic signals to adjust automatically to optimize traffic flow. The results have been impressive, with Singapore experiencing a significant reduction in congestion and improved travel times. Other cities around the world are following suit, with Amsterdam, Dubai, and many others implementing AI-based traffic management systems to address their own traffic challenges. However, it's crucial to address potential biases in these systems to ensure fair and equitable outcomes for all citizens, especially for marginalized communities. Beyond the road, a connected future of mobility. The future of transportation goes beyond just managing traffic. It's about creating a more efficient and sustainable transportation system. This includes the integration of autonomous vehicles, ride-sharing platforms, and other emerging technologies, all powered by AI. Autonomous vehicles, in particular, have the potential to significantly reduce congestion by optimizing routes and eliminating human error. However, it's important to consider the ethical implications of AI-powered autonomous vehicles and ensure they are developed and deployed responsibly, addressing concerns like accessibility and job displacement. The future is here, embracing the power of AI. AI-powered traffic management systems are already making a tangible difference in cities around the world. With the continuous development of AI technology, we can expect even more transformative solutions in the years to come. From AI-powered drones monitoring traffic congestion to predictive algorithms that anticipate traffic patterns, the future of transportation is becoming increasingly intelligent and connected. However, it's essential to address potential biases in AI algorithms to ensure fair and equitable access to these solutions for everyone, ensuring that all citizens benefit from the technological revolution in transportation. Throughout human history, storytelling has evolved alongside our technological capabilities. From oral traditions of written text, from radio plays to cinema, and now to AI-assisted creation, each technological leap has transformed how stories are told and experienced. Artificial intelligence represents perhaps the most significant shift since the advent of digital media, fundamentally altering the creative process while expanding the boundaries of what's possible. The marriage of AI and entertainment began with simple algorithmic recommendations and has rapidly advanced to sophisticated systems capable of generating original content, enhancing production workflows, and creating personalized experiences for audiences worldwide. This evolution isn't merely technical. It represents a philosophical shift in how we understand creativity itself. Today's AI systems serve as powerful creative collaborators rather than replacements for human artists. By analyzing vast datasets of existing works, AI tools can generate novel ideas, suggest plot developments, compose music, or visualize concepts that might never have emerged from traditional creative processes. Screenwriters now use AI assistants to overcome writer's block, explore alternative narrative paths, or test dialogue options. Musicians collaborate with AI to discover unique melodies, harmonies, and production techniques. Visual artists employ generative systems to expand their aesthetic vocabulary and explore new visual territories. The collaborative potential extends production stages as well. AI-powered tools can streamline editing processes, enhance visual effects, optimize sound design, and even predict audience reactions, while leaving the core creative decisions in human hands. Perhaps the most transformative impact of AI on entertainment lies in its ability to personalize content for individual viewers, listeners, and players. Unlike traditional media created for mass consumption, AI-enhanced entertainment can adapt in real time to audience preferences, emotional states, and contextual factors. Interactive narratives can branch based on viewer engagement, creating unique story experiences for each person. Games can dynamically adjust difficulty, pacing, and emotional tone. Music streaming services can generate endless variations of songs tailored to individual tastes and moods. This level of personalization was previously impossible at scale, requiring prohibitive amounts of human creative labor. The emergence of sophisticated language models, image generators, and voice synthesis has enabled entirely new forms of entertainment. Virtual characters with consistent personalities can engage in open-ended conversations with users. Procedurally generated worlds offer endless exploration possibilities. AI-powered avatars can perform in virtual concerts or theatrical performances. These technologies have democratized access to creative tools that were once available only to large studios with substantial resources. Independent creators can now produce content with production values that rival major entertainment companies, opening new avenues for diverse voices and experimental approaches. The impact of AI on entertainment is not just about efficiency and data analysis. It's also about unlocking new dimensions of creativity. For content creators, musicians, filmmakers, actors, and other artists, AI is opening up novel possibilities for experimentation and artistic expression. In music, AI can act as a co-creator, assisting artists in generating new melodies, harmonies, and even entire compositions. Tools like AI Artificial Intelligence Virtual Artist are already being used by budding musicians to create soundtracks, offering new ways to explore genre, mood, and rhythm. By analyzing massive datasets of music, AI can suggest unexpected combinations of sounds, instruments, and beats, allowing artists to experiment beyond traditional boundaries. Even for non-musicians, AI democratizes creativity, enabling those with little to no formal training to compose original music and enhance their storytelling with personalized soundtracks. In film and television, AI tools can streamline and enhance post-production tasks, such as video editing, color correction, and special effects generation. AI-driven software can analyze footage and recommend the best cuts or edits, helping directors and editors save time while focusing on creative decision-making. AI is also revolutionizing animation and visual effects VFX, making it possible to create more realistic characters and worlds through machine learning techniques, thereby pushing the limits of what's possible in visual storytelling. For actors, AI-generated virtual characters, sometimes called digital doubles, offer an opportunity to extend performances beyond physical limitations. Through AI, Actors can lend their voices and likeness to virtual avatars that appear in multiple projects simultaneously. Digital humans, created using AI, are also becoming more realistic, allowing for seamless integration with real actors in film and television production. Beyond individual creators, AI is empowering entire industries to innovate in how they approach content. AI-driven tools help production companies optimize distribution strategies, identify emerging trends, and even predict the success of films or TV shows before they are released. This enables studios to take more creative risks and invest in more diverse and unconventional projects, knowing that AI can help mitigate financial uncertainties. A new frontier collaboration. As AI becomes more embedded in the entertainment industry, it's essential to view this technology not as a replacement for human creativity, but as a powerful collaborator. While AI can automate certain tasks, its true potential lies in augmenting human talent. Whether providing inspiration, handling repetitive production processes, or offering insights based on data, AI allows creators to focus on what they do best, bringing unique visions to life. For content creators, actors, musicians, and tech enthusiasts, AI offers an opportunity to explore new frontiers of expression. It challenges us to think beyond constraints of traditional media and embrace a future where technology and creativity converge. As AI continues to evolve, so too will the possibility for innovation in entertainment. The intersection of AI and artistry is rich with potential, giving rise to new forms of media, storytelling techniques, and interactive experiences that will shape the future of entertainment. In the rapidly evolving landscape of entertainment, artificial intelligence has emerged as a powerful narrative architect, reshaping how stories are conceived, developed, and delivered. Unlike traditional storytelling tools, AI can analyze vast libraries of narratives to identify patterns, predict audience engagement, and suggest novel combinations of plot elements that human creators might never consider. This capability transforms the creative process from a linear journey into a collaborative exploration between human intuition and computational intelligence. Modern AI systems can now generate original story outlines, develop character arcs, and even produce dialogue that mirrors specific writing styles. Writers and directors are increasingly using these tools to overcome creative blocks, test multiple narrative directions simultaneously, and refine storylines based on predicted audience responses. Rather than replacing human creativity, these systems serve as sophisticated sounding boards that challenge creators to push beyond conventional thinking. The architecture of storytelling itself is being reimagined through technologies like procedural narrative generation, where AI creates dynamic story environments that respond to viewer choices or preferences. Streaming platforms are beginning to experiment with adaptive content that subtly adjusts pacing, emotional intensity, or even plot details based on individual viewing patterns, creating a personally resonant experience impossible in traditional media formats. The music industry, much like other creative fields, is undergoing a dramatic transformation thanks to the rise of artificial intelligence, AI. AI-powered music creation tools are reshaping the way musicians, producers, and composers approach their craft. By offering new opportunities for collaboration, experimentation, and production, AI is having a profound impact on how music is created, distributed, and consumed. While this technology opens up exciting possibilities, it also raises important questions about the role of human creativity in an increasingly AI-driven world. However, rather than viewing AI as a threat, the industry is learning to embrace it as a tool that amplifies the human touch, allowing artists to push the boundaries of creativity while staying true to their unique voices. AI-powered music, revolutionizing the creative process. The process of making music has always been deeply personal and creative, often shaped by emotion, experience, and talent. However, the rise of AI-powered music tools has expanded the landscape of music creation, making it easier for both professionals and newcomers to explore new sonic possibilities. AI algorithms are capable of analyzing massive datasets of musical compositions, learning patterns in melody, rhythm, harmony, and genre. This enables AI systems to compose original music in a variety of styles, suggest chord progressions, and even help artists discover new musical directions they may not have considered. For example, platforms like OpenAI's MuseNet and Google's Magenta offer tools that allow users to compose music in the style of specific artists or blend multiple genres in innovative ways. AI-generated music can serve as a starting point, allowing musicians to build upon these compositions, much like how a painter might use a base sketch before adding layers of color and texture. Beyond composition, AI is making significant strides in music production and mastering. Traditionally, music producers spend hours fine-tuning recordings to achieve the perfect sound, a process that requires a high level of technical skill. AI tools like LANDR have streamlined this process by using machine learning to automatically mix and master tracks with professional-grade precision. These tools analyze audio data and adjust elements like equalization, compression, and reverb, helping artists achieve polished, radio-ready results in a fraction of the time. This has democratized access to high-quality production, allowing budding musicians to produce music that sounds professional without needing an expensive studio or years of technical expertise. AI enhancing creativity, not replacing it. A key concern for many musicians and creators is whether AI will replace human creativity. Music, after all, is an art form deeply rooted in human experience, emotion, and individuality. While AI is capable of generating melodies and harmonies, it lacks the emotional depth, cultural context, and personal narrative that make music truly meaningful. Rather than viewing AI as a substitute for human creativity, it should be seen as a tool that enhances it. AI can take on the more technical and repetitive aspects of music creation, such as generating background tracks, mixing, and mastering, allowing artists to focus on emotional and expressive elements of their work. AI can act as a creative partner, providing inspiration and opening doors to new sounds. But it is a human artist who ultimately shapes these ideas into something unique and personal. Moreover, the collaboration between AI and human musicians is leading to some of the most exciting innovations in the music industry today. Artists are using AI to push the boundaries of traditional genres and create hybrid sounds that were previously unimaginable. AI is helping musicians experiment with unconventional structures and combinations, fostering creativity that transcends the limits of human intuition. For example, artists like Taryn Southern have released entire albums composed in collaboration with AI, showcasing how technology can be integrated into the creative process while still maintaining the artist's personal voice. AI's ability to enhance creativity is also empowering non-musicians to become music creators. With AI-powered tools, someone without formal musical training can generate complex compositions, enabling a wider range of people to express themselves through music. This democratization of music creation is unlocking new voices and allowing diverse perspectives to emerge in the industry, broadening the scope of what's possible in contemporary music. The role of AI in music distribution and discovery. AI is not only transforming how music is created, but also how it is distributed and discovered. Music streaming platforms like Spotify and Apple Music rely heavily on AI algorithms to personalize playlists and recommend new music to listeners based on their preferences. These recommendation engines analyze user behavior, what songs they listen to, skip, or save, allowing AI to suggest tracks that align with their tastes. This has revolutionized the way audiences discover music, making it easier for independent artists to reach new fans without the backing of a major record label. In addition, AI-powered analytics tools are providing artists and music professionals with valuable insights into audience behavior and trends. By analyzing listener data, AI can predict which songs are likely to become hits, helping labels and artists make informed decisions about marketing, promotion, and tour planning. This data-driven approach allows musicians to better understand their audience, optimize their release strategies, and connect with fans in more meaningful ways. Embracing the AI revolution. The future of music. The impact of AI on the music industry is undeniable, and its influence will only continue to grow. As technology advances, the potential for AI-powered music creation and collaboration will expand, opening up new opportunities for artists to experiment and innovate. However, the future of music is not about AI replacing musicians. It's about enhancing the creative process. The human touch will always be at the heart of music, and AI serves as a tool that amplifies the artist's voice, allowing them to express themselves in new and exciting ways. AI can handle the technical aspects of music creation, but it is a human element, emotion, experience, and perspective that gives music its soul. For AI enthusiasts, content creators, musicians, and tech hobbyists, The AI revolution in music presents an exciting opportunity to explore new frontiers of creativity. By embracing AI as a collaborator, artists can push the boundaries of what's possible and create music that resonates with audiences on a deeper level. The future of music is not just about machines generating sound. It's about human creators using AI to unlock their full creative potential and craft the next generation of music that moves and inspires us all. In the ever-evolving world of music, AI is not the end of human artistry. It's the beginning of a new era of innovation, where technology and creativity converge to shape the soundtracks of our future. The film industry stands at a fascinating crossroads where artificial intelligence is reshaping nearly every aspect of movie making. From pre-production planning to post-production enhancement, AI technologies are transforming how stories reach the screen, democratizing creation tools, and expanding creative possibilities for filmmakers of all backgrounds. This evolution represents not merely a technological shift, but a fundamental reimagining of the cinematic medium itself. Traditional filmmaking has always been a complex, resource-intensive process requiring specialized skills, expensive equipment, and substantial financial backing. AI is systematically dismantling these barriers, putting powerful creative tools in the hands of independent filmmakers and studios alike. The result is an emerging landscape where creative vision, rather than budget or connections, increasingly determines what stories can. The integration of AI begins at the earliest stages of movie creation. Screenwriters now collaborate with language models that can generate dialogue options, suggest plot developments, or help refine character arcs. These tools serve as sophisticated creative partners, helping writers overcome blocks, explore alternative narrative directions, and even identify inconsistencies in complex storylines. Pre-visualization has been revolutionized through generative AI systems that can transform written descriptions into detailed concept art, storyboards, and even rough animations. Directors can rapidly iterate on visual concepts before committing resources to production, exploring creative possibilities that might otherwise have remained abstract ideas. This capability is particularly valuable for science fiction, fantasy, and other visually ambitious projects where communicating the creative vision has traditionally been challenging. During production, AI-enhanced cameras can automatically track subjects, adjust framing, and even recommend shot compositions based on cinematic conventions or a director's personal style. Virtual production technologies, powered by AI algorithms, allow filmmakers to visualize complex CGI elements in real time while shooting, fundamentally changing how actors and directors interact with digital environments. Perhaps the most dramatic transformations are occurring in post-production. AI-powered editing assistants can assemble rough cuts based on emotional beats, dialogue patterns, or specific visual rhythms. Visual effects that once required months of painstaking work by large teams can now be generated or enhanced through automated systems. Even color grading, sound design, and music composition are being augmented by AI tools that can match reference styles or generate original creative elements. Democratization and diversification. The democratizing effect of these technologies cannot be overstated. Independent filmmakers now access production capabilities that were previously available only to major studios. A filmmaker with a compelling vision and modest resources can leverage AI tools to create visual effects, develop sophisticated soundscapes, and even utilize virtual actors for certain roles, all while maintaining creative control outside the traditional studio system. This democratization naturally leads to greater diversity in storytelling. Communities and perspectives historically underrepresented in cinema are finding avenues to bring their stories to audiences without navigating traditional gatekeepers. The result is an emerging cinematic landscape rich with cultural perspectives, narrative approaches, and visual styles that expand our collective understanding of what film can be. The economics of AI cinema. Studios and production companies are rapidly adapting to this new reality, incorporating AI tools throughout their workflows while reassessing traditional budget allocations. Productions that once required massive visual effects teams can now achieve comparable results with smaller, more specialized groups augmented by AI systems. Location scouting can be supplemented or even replaced by AI-generated environments, reducing travel expenses and environmental impacts. Distribution and marketing strategies are similarly being transformed. AI-powered analytics can predict audience reactions to trailers, inform target promotion strategies, and even suggest edits to maximize audience engagement. Streaming platforms leverage these capabilities to connect films with their ideal audiences, sometimes allowing smaller productions to find success without traditional marketing budgets. Despite these technological advances, the most impactful AI-powered films maintain a crucial balance between computational assistance and human creativity. Directors, writers, cinematographers, and actors bring irreplaceable human experiences, cultural understandings, and emotional intelligence to the filmmaking process. The most successful implementations of AI in cinema enhance these human elements rather than attempting to replace them. Films that resonate most deeply with audiences continue to be those that express authentic human perspectives, emotional truths, and cultural insights, areas where AI augmentation serves the creative vision rather than determining it. The collaborative relationship between human filmmakers and AI tools allows creators to focus more energy on these essential narrative and emotional elements, while computational systems handle technical challenges. Despite the technological marvels of AI in entertainment, the most successful implementations maintain a fundamental truth. Authentic human expression remains the heart of compelling storytelling. The true revolution lies not in AI replacing human creativity, but in the synergistic relationship between technological capabilities and human emotional intelligence. Content creators who embrace this partnership are discovering new dimensions to their art. Musicians collaborate with AI to explore unconventional harmonies and production techniques, while maintaining their distinctive artistic voice. Filmmakers use generative visualization tools to conceptualize scenes before committing to expensive production, allowing for more ambitious creative visions. Voice actors work alongside AI voice models that can extend their emotional range or help them develop new character interpretations. This revolution extends beyond creation to accessibility. AI Let's practice to use AI for everyday use. General everyday use.
We are Tech Hub, the home of technology contents.
Welcome, everyone. My name is Lily. I'm thrilled to have you join us today for our live
allowing them to express themselves in new and exciting ways. AI can handle the technical aspects of music creation, but it is a human element, emotion, experience, and perspective that gives music its soul. For AI enthusiasts, content creators, musicians, and tech hobbyists, the AI revolution in music presents an exciting opportunity to explore new creativity. By embracing AI as a collaborator, artists can push the boundaries of what's possible and create music that resonates with audiences on a deeper level. The future of music is not just about machines generating sound. It's about human creators using AI to unlock their full creative potential and craft the next generation of music that moves and inspires us all. In the ever-evolving world of music, AI is not the end of human artistry. It's the beginning of a new era of innovation, where technology and creativity converge to shape the soundtracks of our future. The film industry stands at a fascinating crossroads where artificial intelligence is reshaping nearly every aspect of movie making. From pre-production planning to post-production enhancement, AI technologies are transforming how stories reach the screen, democratizing creation tools, and expanding creative possibilities for filmmakers of all backgrounds. This evolution represents not merely a technological shift, but a fundamental reimagining of the cinematic medium itself. Traditional filmmaking has been a complex, resource-intensive process requiring specialized skills, expensive equipment, and substantial financial backing. AI is systematically dismantling these barriers, putting powerful creative tools in the hands of independent filmmakers and studios alike. The result is an emerging landscape where creative vision, rather than budget or connections, increasingly determines what stories can. The integration of AI begins at the earliest stages of movie creation. Screenwriters now collaborate with language models that can generate dialogue options, suggest plot developments, or help refine character arcs. These tools serve as sophisticated creative partners, helping writers overcome blocks, explore alternative narrative directions, and even identify inconsistencies in complex storylines. Pre-visualization has been revolutionized through generative AI systems that can transform written descriptions into detailed concept art, storyboards, and even rough animations. Directors can rapidly iterate on visual concepts before committing resources to production, exploring creative possibilities that might otherwise have remained abstract ideas. This capability is particularly valuable for science fiction, fantasy, and other visually ambitious projects where communicating the creative vision has traditionally been challenging. During production, AI-enhanced cameras can automatically track subjects, adjust framing, and even recommend shot compositions based on cinematic conventions or a director's personal style. Virtual production technologies, powered by AI algorithms, allow filmmakers to visualize complex CGI elements in real time while shooting, fundamentally changing how actors and directors interact with digital environments. Perhaps the most dramatic transformations are occurring in post-production. AI-powered editing assistants can assemble rough cuts based on emotional beats, dialogue patterns, or specific visual rhythms. Visual effects that once required months of painstaking work by large teams can now be generated or enhanced through automated systems. Even color grading, sound design, and music composition are being augmented by AI tools that can match reference styles or generate original creative elements. Democratization and diversification. The democratizing effect of these technologies cannot be overstated. Independent filmmakers now access production capabilities that were previously available only to major studios. A filmmaker with a compelling vision and modest resources can leverage AI tools to create visual effects, develop sophisticated soundscapes, and even utilize virtual actors for certain roles, all while maintaining creative control outside the traditional studio system. This democratization naturally leads to greater diversity in storytelling. Communities and perspectives historically underrepresented in cinema are finding avenues to bring their stories to audiences without navigating traditional gatekeepers. The result is an emerging cinematic landscape rich with cultural perspectives, narrative approaches, and visual styles that expand our collective understanding of what film can be. The economics of AI cinema. Studios and production companies are rapidly adapting to this new reality, incorporating AI tools throughout their workflows while reassessing traditional budget allocations. Productions that once required massive visual effects teams can now achieve comparable results with smaller, more specialized groups augmented by AI systems. Location scouting can be supplemented or even replaced by AI-generated environments, reducing travel expenses and environmental impacts. Distribution and marketing strategies are similarly being.
Welcome, everyone. My name is Lily. I'm thrilled to have you join us today for our live stream of our course, Learn Artificial Intelligence Without Coding. We are excited to guide you through the fascinating world of artificial intelligence.
In the swirl currents of the generative AI era, where information flows like a digital river and answers seem to materialize at the touch of a screen, one fundamental human skill emerges as the bedrock of true understanding, and that is the art of asking questions. We stand at a precipice, a moment where the ability to query, to probe, to seek knowledge with intention becomes not just valuable, but essential. This is not merely about inputting a string of words into a search bar. It's about cultivating a mindset of curiosity, a relentless pursuit of clarity, and profound understanding of the power that lies within a well-crafted question. Whether you're a tech enthusiast unraveling the complexities of algorithms, an everyday person navigating the deluge of online information, a legal professional seeking precise precedents, an educator shaping the minds of tomorrow, a student forging your path, a photographer capturing the essence of a moment, or a filmmaker weaving stories on screen, the ability to ask the right questions is your most potent tool. Imagine a world where learning is not a passive reception of information, but an active, dynamic dialogue. Picture legal professionals using AI not as a substitute for critical thinking, but as a powerful partner in uncovering nuanced legal arguments. Envision educators guiding students to ask questions that spark intellectual exploration rather than simply memorizing facts. See photographers and filmmakers using AI to explore new creative boundaries, all driven by the questions that inspire their visions. This is not a future reserved for the select few. This is a future accessible to all. The art of asking questions is a skill that can be honed, a muscle that can be strengthened. It begins with a shift in perspective, a recognition that every answer, every insight, is born from a question. It requires us to move beyond surface-level queries and delve into the depths of why, how, and what if. I invite you to embark on this journey of intellectual exploration. Embrace the power of inquiry. Learn to craft questions that illuminate, that challenge and inspire. Explore the boundless potential of generative AI, not as a source of definitive answers, but as a catalyst for deeper understanding. Let us collectively redefine learning in this new era, where the art of asking questions becomes a foundation upon which knowledge is built, innovation is sparked, and human potential is realized. In a world where knowledge is instantly accessible through generative AI, the true differentiator of human potential is no longer what you know, but what you ask. The quality of your questions has become the new currency of learning, innovation, and growth. In the world of generative AI, especially models like ChatGPT, the prompt is the language you use to communicate with the AI. It's more than just a question or instruction. It's the core tool that shapes how the AI responds. Think of a prompt as both a command and a conversation. When you're new to working with generative AI, understanding how to create effective prompts is like learning a new language. Let me explain what an AI prompt is and how to use one effectively. What is an AI prompt? An AI prompt is simply the text you write to communicate with an AI assistant. Think of it as your way of asking a question, giving instructions, or starting a conversation with the AI. It's the input you provide that guides what the AI will generate in response. The quality of your prompt largely determines the quality of the response you'll receive. It's similar to how asking a clear, specific question to a person gets you a better answer than asking something vague. A prompt is any input text or image in multimodal models given to an AI to generate a response. It can be a simple instruction such as write a summary of Romeo and Juliet, or a complex command such as write a 200-word summary of Romeo and Juliet in the style of crime thriller. It can also be a conversational interaction such as what would Shakespeare say about modern social media? Small blue diamond, why is a prompt called a language? Just like humans use language to shape thought, intention, and meaning, prompts are the structured language used to guide AI reasoning. The more precise and contextual the prompt, the more relevant and high quality the AI's output. It's the language of creativity, instruction, decision-making, and productivity. In essence, prompt are how we speak to AI to make it think, create, and solve problems. Prompting is a skill. As generative AI becomes a central tool in writing, design, coding, and decision-making, prompt literacy is becoming the new digital literacy. It's not just what you ask, but how you ask it. The prompt is the new programming language. Where once we wrote code to instruct machines, now we use prompts, natural, flexible language, to engage AI systems in complex tasks. Learning to prompt, well, is learning to unlock the full power of generative AI. Key elements of effective prompts. Clarity. Be as clear as possible about what you want. Instead of tell me about dogs, try explain the basic care requirements for first-time dog owners. Specificity. Include details about what you're looking for. For example, rather than write an essay, try write a 500-word essay about climate change impacts on agriculture for high school students. Context. Provide relevant background information. Adding context to an AI prompt is crucial because it shapes the accuracy, relevance, and depth of the response. Without context, an AI might generate vague or generic answers, failing to address the specifics of what you're asking. Here's why context matters. A well-contextualized prompt gives AI a clear direction, helping it tailor responses that are specific to your needs. AI processes language but lacks human intuition. Providing background details allows it to align its answers more closely with your expectations. In complex queries, context helps AI generate responses that take into account various factors, offering well-rounded solutions rather than surface-level answers. Without enough detail, an AI might misunderstand the intent of your request, leading to responses that miss the mark. Think of it like asking a person for advice. You wouldn't just say, "What should I do?" without explaining your situation. The more context you provide, the better the AI can help. If you give a minimal context prompt such as, "How can I be more productive?" the AI might give a general response with broad productivity tips like time management, focus techniques, and prioritization. A moderate context prompt can be something like, "I'm a student struggling to stay focused while studying. How can I be more productive?" With that, AI can tailor its response to study-specific productivity methods like Pomodoro techniques, active recall, or minimizing distractions. A more detailed context prompt, such as, "I'm a college student taking 5 courses, and I have trouble managing my workload. I procrastinate a lot because I feel overwhelmed. What strategies can help me study more effectively and stay on top of my assignments?" Having provided a rich context, the AI can pinpoint specific strategies for workload management, procrastination, and mental focus. It can suggest breaking tasks into smaller goals, scheduling study blocks, using planners, or even addressing emotional stress. The more detail you provide, the better the response matches your needs. Want to try crafting a prompt with context and see how much more useful it becomes? Format instructions. Specify how you want the information presented. AI prompt format instructions play a huge role in shaping the clarity, structure, and effectiveness of the response. They act as guideposts, telling AI how to interpret and present information. Here's how different formatting instructions affect formatting like bold, italics, bullet points, and headings help structure the response for easier reading. Example. Instead of a long block of text, a response with clear sections is more digestible. Use instructions like answer in 2 paragraphs or keep it concise, help avoid overly long or rambling answers. Example, a well-structured answer to explain climate change in 2 sentences will be much more direct than a vague, open-ended question. AI follows prompts requesting specific formats, such as lists, tables, summaries, or code blocks. The clearer the instructions, the better the AI can adapt to your needs. Without format guidance, responses may be generic, lengthy, or not suited to the intended audience. For example, you could say, "Summarize the benefits of AI in healthcare in 3 bullet points." Or, "Explain photosynthesis in a formal academic tone in 2 paragraphs." Examples of simple versus effective prompts. Simple prompt, write about healthcare. Effective prompt, write a 300-word explanation of healthcare informatics for entry-level medical assistants. Include 3 practical examples of how it improves patient care. Use simple language and an encouraging tone. The second example gives the AI clear direction about content, length, examples, language level, and tone, resulting in a much more useful response. Common mistakes to avoid: being too vague, asking for too many things in one prompt, not specify your audience or purpose, forgetting to mention format preferences, and omitting important context. Start simple and iterate. As a beginner, start with straightforward prompts and refine them based on the responses you receive. If you don't get what you need the first time, you can always clarify or adjust your request in follow-up messages. Remember, communicating with AI is a skill that improves with practice. The more you work with AI systems, the better you'll become at crafting prompts that get you exactly what you need. Make the move. Take the first step into the world of generative AI. You have learned all the exciting information about AI. Now is the time to take the first step. The world of generative AI is no longer something for the future. It's here, and it's ready for you. By creating your first AI account, you're not just signing up for a tool. You're opening the door to a new way of thinking, working, and creating. With a few simple clicks, you'll gain access to help with writing, editing, and generating ideas, quick answers to questions and explanations on any topic, and support with tasks like summarizing, analyzing, or planning, and a creative partner for stories, presentations, or designs. You don't need to be a tech expert or an AI researcher. If you know how to ask a question, you already have what it takes to use AI effectively. Many of the AI tools are free to try, no special skills required, and immediate value from day one. So why wait? Step into the future of productivity, learning, and creativity. Sign up now and let AI become your newest and most powerful companion. Here are a few links to get started. ChatGPT.com. https://ClaudeAI. https://Gemini.google.com. https://www.deepseek.com/un. Copilot.microsoft.com. Unlock your potential with AI. Don't hesitate to ask for support. The world is evolving fast, and artificial intelligence is shaping the future. Whether it's helping you work smarter, learn faster, or solve problems creatively, AI can be a game changer, but getting started might feel overwhelming. That's okay. You don't have to do it alone. Reaching out for support when signing up for an AI account is not a weakness. It's a step toward empowerment. Imagine having a tool that can assist you with tasks, spark ideas, and make life more efficient. Why miss out because of uncertainty? Guidance is available, and all it takes is one ask. Embrace AI with confidence. Seek support, sign up, and step into a future of endless possibilities. Let's practice to use AI for everyday use. General everyday use. If you have not signed up for any generative AI account, go ahead and do so. It does not matter the one you decide to use. I want you to work along with us now. You can take the full course that is available for our website. The next class starts on June 1st, 2025. There's a discount for a limited time. Rush now to get your seat. Now let the questions begin. In this session, we will see AI do what it does best. All the prompts used here, and many more others, can be downloaded from our course site. Click the link below to get your copy. I will not waste your time by typing in the prompts. Rather, I will copy and paste the prompts into the AI search bar. You can practice at your convenience by getting a copy from our site. Let's ask Copilot to write a list. You can also speak your prompts if you like. In this training, we will type or copy and paste a prompt. Feel free to experiment with the voice option in your private practice. Give me a to-do list for planning a weekend trip. Look at the screen to see where to type in the prompt. Now see the response. As you can see from the screen, Copilot has written out a list of to-do things while we plan for a weekend trip. AI also gives you an extra way to learn or get the information you need by making some suggestions or recommendations. In this case, we have suggestions asking if we want to know about popular activities in some destination points. You can also see the second suggestion. Remember, you do not have to take any of the suggestions. However, I have found that it can help to explore some of the suggestions. It is especially useful when you're not sure what you're looking for. In this case, I have decided to explore one of the options. I will stop for you to read a little from the output on the screen. Let's also explore another of the option to see the best budgeting apps for travels. Here we have a list of budgeting apps. Copilot goes a step further to include the URL address. You can decide to visit the address to see the source of the information. Some of the AI tools will not give you the URL address of where they get the information. However, you have the option to request for the URL address. Remember that AI can hallucinate. That is why we all have the ethical responsibility to verify its output. Let's ask Copilot to write a polite and professional email to reschedule a meeting. After it's writing, you can see some suggestions. I will go ahead and select one of the suggestions. There are still more suggestions. This makes it very interactive. Though it helps to frame the right question, you do not have to worry about getting things right at the beginning. With time, you get used to AI and learn the best way to get your exact need. I can waste your time telling you all to-dos, but that will only cause you mental stress. I want you to approach the learning with ease. Generative AI makes learning to feel like a breeze. As you see, it is still asking you if you need more assistance. That is how easy it is to use AI in your everyday life. You do not need to learn how to code to use it. There is no limit to what you can do with it. In this example, we are asking Copilot to suggest 5 dinner ideas with chicken, rice, and broccoli. With the suggested website address, you can explore options further. That will also enable you to verify accuracy of the information or to learn from experts in that industry. Let's create a grocery list for a healthy meal for a family of 4. At this point, you can accept the suggestion for more help. In this case, we will type yes to accept the suggestion. Always pay attention to the suggestions. That may just be what you need to get the full picture of the scenario. Let's get help on how to declutter a home.
Hey everyone, we appreciate your presence and have enjoyed learning with you. Before we sign off, I just want to give a huge thank you for joining us on the live stream today. Your support, your time, and your interaction in the chat truly mean the world to us. If you found value in what we covered today and you're ready to take the next step, I've got something exciting for you. Our full course is now available on our website. It goes way deeper than what we touched on today, with step-by-step lessons, hands-on activities, and all the resources you need to master. Insert topic here. Just head over to the link below to visit our website and enroll today to get started. Don't miss this opportunity to invest in yourself. We've put our heart into this course, and we know it can make a difference for you. Thanks again for being here, and if you haven't already, be sure to like the stream, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss out on future content. We'll see you in the course.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for. We are Tech Hub, the home of technology concepts.
Welcome, everyone. My name is Lily. I'm thrilled to have you join us today for our live stream of our course, Learn Artificial Intelligence Without Coding. We are excited to guide you through the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, popularly referred to as AI. The course is designed for everyone without requiring any programming knowledge. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries, enhancing our daily lives, and creating unprecedented opportunities. Before I get out of the way for the course to start, it is my great pleasure to introduce our instructor for Learn Artificial Intelligence Without Coding. Please join me in welcoming our distinguished instructor who will guide us through this transformative journey into the world of artificial intelligence. Let's embark on this AI journey together and discover